That's what I like to see. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing awesome. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Feeling good today. I think somebody said I was sleeping in the chat. All right. Let's get this thing started. What it do? Good morning. Good morning, Jeanette. Good morning, DL. Hey, Z Gamer's in the house, chat. Z Gamer is in the house. What up, David Tot? What up, Believe? What up, Ghost of Me? What up, Big Folk Red? Good morning, Kate. Good morning, Austin. Good morning, all the mods here today. Good morning, Classic Trader, Hooker, JFX. Good morning, JFX. Good morning, Crypto Madden. Good morning, Shiro. Little dab for Shiro. All right. Good morning, everyone. Hey, hope you guys are doing really good today. Good morning, Nico. I know I'm doing great. What a morning it's been, and we're just getting started here now. So I look forward to the session here today and getting everything started. What up, Luca? Luca's in the building. Hey, Luca. What up, Jake? Good morning, Mr. Pips. Mr. Pips. I like that name. Got to trade. W. Big W. All right. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, let's give the stream a like. I don't think we're at 200 likes, right? If we can get everyone to like the stream right now, that would be awesome. And we're going to get rolling here. Let me just set up Zoom, and we're going to get on our way here. Lord, I can hear your friend. Okay. All right, let me share my screen and should be good to go here. Perfect. Perfecto. Hey, who's excited for a new day, man? I'm excited. It's Taco Tuesday here today, so I am extremely excited. It's Tuesday. It is the 25th of July. It's another day, another opportunity for us here, gang. Another opportunity for us to be disciplined, to be professional, and to really get a head start on turning dreams into reality here in life, right? Good morning, Joe. So let's treat it that way. Let's take it with that utmost seriousness. Some of you guys are working really hard right now to get out of your full-time jobs. Some of you guys are working really hard to pay off debt. Some of you guys are working really hard to get funded, right? Some of you guys are working really hard, I don't know, maybe to retire your husband or to retire your wife, right? Let's keep these dreams. Let's keep these very, very important obligations, right? Let's hold these with the highest standard here today as we approach the markets. Let's be disciplined. Let's be professional, and let's do what we do best. All right. So it looks like we do have a 1 hour candle closure in just 40 seconds here. So let's watch how this candle closes together, and we'll see if we got to move, and if not, then we will get to the breakdown. Joe Stewart's in the building. Good morning, Forex Frank. Good morning, Henry. What up, Henry? That guy TK is here. What's up, bro? I love the W. WAT Y WK. All right, we got 3 seconds here for a closure. Doesn't look like it's going to close below. And this is how quick you make decisions in trading, chat. Watch this. Boom. No close below. All right, no trade. Let's get to the breakdown here. So let's take a look at gold. Let's see what we got going on, and let's do a top-down analysis. We'll run a top-down on gold. We'll run a top-down on GJ and US30, and then we'll get the chillaxing started. What up, Nightbot? Hey, Nightbot is hustling already in the chat. Shout out to Nightbot. Hey, gang. This is going to be the last week that we're running a promo on the signals. So if you guys do want to get a chance to get those for that discounted rate, or really 2 months free, any package you purchase right now to the end of the week is going to be 2 months free. And then, the lifetime access comes with the yearly package. And when you buy that, you get access to Zoom as well. So shout out to Nightbot, reminding me to let you guys know the promo is about to end here. So cool. So let's do a quick breakdown here on our lovely pair here, gold. Let's see where we're at. Let's backtrack a little bit, right? every single day, what do? We delete all of our, what do you see me do, right? I delete all my markups and I go and I move forward and resketch everything, right? Redraw everything up. It's really good to get a fresh mind every single day. Go over your pairs from the monthly all the way down to create that repetition, right? Because repetition to the mind is what gets things to stick, right? It's what gets things to be understandable. So that's what we're gonna do here today. Just give me one sec. And if you're not in our free Discord, gang, you can join our free Discord here. The link should be in the chat. Let me do this. All right. Alrighty, I think we're good to go. Good morning, Green. What up, Green? Hey, shout out to Green. Big W for Green. Everyone put in the chat WREEN. Let's show some respect to the MG here. What up, Raja in the building? Thank you, Green. Appreciate all you do for the Time to Eat family, bro. All right, let's get it started. So let's do this quick. There you go. Yeah. Throw him up for Green there. He deserves it. Well deserved. Well deserved. All right. Let's take a look at the charts here. As we look at gold on the monthly time frame, let me just lower the music one sec. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Shout out to Green. Trade with trends. Trade with trends. You're not following the trend though. You see the green, you see the G, there's W's. W is the trend. It's called Reen. His name is Reen. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, all right, let's do this breakdown here, gang. Let's take a look at gold, see what we got going on. Let me let me do this. Boom. All right, cool. So taking a look at the monthly time frame, let's take a look at what we got going on here, right? So as you guys know, through repetition now, right? You guys have now seen that we are in this rejection zone here on gold, right? So from about 2080 to about 20, or it's really like 1980, right? We are in this sort of rejection zone. If we can kind of put a visual on the zone, this is really what we would look at, right? This is a rejection zone right here. And every single time price had come into the zone, price seemed to have rejected the zone, right? You see a rejection here, you see a rejection here, and now you see more rejections right up top. So three rejections to the top side. These are, remember, all-time highs here on gold. So we are starting to, reject, right? Now that's what the monthly time frame is saying, right? Every time we came up here, we have created some sort of a resistance, and price was able to push down, coming down into these levels down here. Same thing here, right? Price created a resistance, came down into this level. Same thing we're seeing right now. Price has created a resistance about 2 months ago here, and we should come on down into these ranges here, right? One thing we notice is that if we get rid of most of this stuff here, is that we did have the previous monthly candle close below the range here, right? Notice how this monthly candle right here actually closed below the range here to the left hand side, right? So we did get a closure below. We did get a top wick. We did break the highs here. That's our only trick to the story here today. We have broken the monthly highs. I believe we did that on Friday. Yeah, I think we did that on Friday. We did break the monthly highs there, but as I was telling some of the guys here, it's one thing to break the highs and then start pushing up, right? Because that's what we should do if we're breaking the highs. But notice how we broke the high here and just rejected, right? We broke it and just started rejecting that high. If this is a 30-minute time frame, at the break of this low, we would enter positions here, right? Knowing that there was liquidity grabbed and price should start to continue down. Now, where will price go? Well, we've seen from previous examples to the left-hand side that price can come down into these ranges here. But what I would say is there is a very strong support right here at 1830, and that's probably the range that we're looking to fill here on the monthly time frame, right? So if we're going to fill this monthly range here, how can we take advantage of it? Well, first of all, we need to know the direction, right? And if we do have a closure below, there's a very high chance, right? This candle closed below the low here, or the high. There's a very high chance now when this candle here breaks the lows, it will continue down, you know, looking something, you know, very, very similar to this, right? You got a candle kind of break the high and flip bearish, break the lows, and then tap into that support right there. So that is what we would be anticipating. Now we're coming to the close of the monthly candle here, so it does get very interesting in these last couple days. We also have a major announcements from the Fed here coming in tomorrow. By the way, guys, tomorrow we'll have 2 live streams, one in the morning, one in the afternoon. But you know, we do have a lot of word coming in from the Fed, so that's going to be very interesting. Today's going to be one of those days where we may get positions if we do, you know, get outside of the range. But tomorrow is going to be a big day here. So lots and lots of volume should be dumping in. I know we do have some red folders here today as well. Let's just take a look at that for a second here. Tuesday, yeah, we do have consumer confidence here today. It looks like the Aussie got CPI here today as well, but tomorrow is going to be the fireworks show. Right, tomorrow's going to be the big day. You've got some news during the session tomorrow, but later on in the afternoon we'll have Powell speaking, and yeah, that should be pretty interesting. So anyway, going back to today, so let's keep in mind where we're at on the monthly time frame, exactly what's going on, so we could use that to our advantage. Right now, let's take a look at the weekly. So what's one thing that we noticed about the weekly time frame? Well, we noticed that this weekly candle, the previous one, closed below the range here, right? And if we're closing below the range, and if we're coming into this rejection zone and we're closing below it, right? Look at all the rejections to the downside and to the top side here. So if we're closing below on this candle at this resistance right here, well, there's a very high chance you may see what may you see here, right? Let's look left. Can we see this? Can we see something like this? Hold on. Look at this move right here. Right? Look at this move. Resistance formed, push down here. Clean traffic to the left coming into this wick rejection area. That would make sense for the monthly candle to start pushing down that way by the end of this week, right? Close breaking these lows, and then, you know, next week it continues on down. So that's an idea here as well. But one thing we could say is we did close right at it / below it, right? Not enough to really confidently say that this candle did close above. I mean, although we can't make that claim, the candle still did close bullish, right? So we have to understand price action. Price action, if we do break this high, we should come up and fill this wick up here at 1988.87. But I could totally see how we could also close bearish this week, and then next week start to come down, and that would basically kind of create us a monthly celery play or something like that, right? So that's what we're looking at here. That's what we could possibly see. Now let's take a look at the daily time frame, because if we're gonna get some positions today, what are we gonna base it off of? We're gonna base it mainly off this daily time frame here. So one thing we notice is there is a very strong support right there. Looks like we closed right at it or maybe right below it. One thing we know is that we did come up and create a very nice steep top wick. Beautiful. And I would have never taken buys last night because there was no range 2 buys. Like, if you wanted buys last night, you needed to wait for a range 2, and that you never got that. And those of you that did may have gotten faked out on those positions. But I was looking for range 2 buys or sells below these levels here. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame, right? Because the daily's coming down here now, right? So if this daily candle flips, breaks the low, guess what we're targeting? Well, we're going to target this wick fill here, right? Because at one point this was an exhaustion wick. At another point, this becomes a wick to fill. All right, so that's what we're going to be looking at target wise. Let's see, that's probably going to make a lot of sense here on the lower time frame as well. So let's see what we got as we look at the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour is engulfing. You have a very strong support right here. You got very, very clean traffic to the left hand side below that. You do have a resistance up top here. Let's take a look at what that looks like on the 1-hour. Boom. So very, very clean here, right? Very clean. If you can get a closure below on the, let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. There's a support right here, And then you have very clean traffic coming down to the left-hand side here. So if we do get a closure below this 1958 zone right here, then we can look to take our sells coming down. That'll be a very, very clean move. Let's see how this 30-minute candle closes here, and then we'll look to strike. So that's going to be the day on gold. I think below here is pretty clean as well, right? Yeah. You come down into this next range here. You got very clean traffic below that as well for price to continue down. And guess what this represents? Most likely going to be that wick fill, right? Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that, chat? Would you look at it? Just look at it. Right? You see how all this adds up? All this lines up from the higher time frame to the lower time frames. So that's the range here, right? So sells are looking pretty clean below this level here. We just need to wait for a candle to close, and then we will be looking to enter in on these sells. So sells below 1958 600. And then in terms of any buys here today, buys are going to be above these levels here. So yeah, right above 1963. There's clean traffic to the left. We're going against the daily bias at that point. So yeah, and the target for buys is going to be 1967 500 here. Target for sells in the day is 1946. So let's see if we can run that up here today. If we do get volume coming in, we should have really nice runners today. So let's see if this candle can pull back for us. If not, we take our sells below this range here, coming on down to fill this wick, and then possibly even drive even further today. I mean, 1934 is on the horizon. Sheesh. So that's it. That is the day. That's all we need to do here today. Now, all we need to do from this point is just sit tight and wait. All right? That's it. So, clean. Let me just mark this. Get the charts looking fancy. Okay, clone this and let's run it up here. All right, so yeah, so that's gonna be the day here. So let's see what happens in terms of this candle. If we can pull back, that would be just perfect, man. Then we could take our sells. We could have a beautiful wick fill here, and then we can continue down here today. So that's the day. What's this again? Oh yeah, this is our next range here. So let's put sells below here as well. All right, perfect. Make this a little bigger. All right, lovely, gang. So that's the day here. So I'm going to be keeping myself out of this range here today on gold, this very, very choppy range that we've been trying to break out of. Now, we're not out of the range just yet, right? This candle still needs to close below the zone. And some of you guys are saying, are you kidding me? Look where that candle is. Man, you would be surprised. Right? You would be surprised that there's times where candles will come all the way down here, reject, and close bullish, right? Close back in the range or bullish above the range, or, you know, anything can happen while candle's open. So let's sit tight. Let's see if this candle can close nicely for us. And if not, that's fine. We'll just do a little bit more waiting, right? But if we can close somewhere around these levels right here, that would be just beautiful. Just beautiful. All right, so gonna stay out of the red range here, gang. Anything below though is super clean traffic to the left-hand side that I would love to take advantage of here today. We have very, very clean ranges coming down all the way into the 1930s here. So major green ranges here on gold sells, and then the buys are very clean here as well. So let's stick to our plan. Let's stay logical here today, and if we get the right opportunities, we'll make some money. We'll make some money here. Who wants to make some money? You want to make some money. All right, so that's gold. So we got 15 minutes here. Let's see, 15-minute candle closing, no bottom wick. Perfecto. All right, cool. Let's move on to pound yen here. So taking a look at GJ on the monthly time frame, looks like we are pretty bullish, right? Pretty bullish here, moving up. And do you always wait for the 1 hour chart to close? 1 hour or 30-minute time frame. Sometimes 15-minute, but I like to stick to the 1 hour, 30-minute time frame for the most part. Yeah. Yep. So, okay, let's take a look at pound yen. So, GJ's pretty bullish, right? I mean, we've been on this bullish rally here for the entire year, basically, right? Since January. So ever since January, we've been just running, right? Running up, just breaking through, pushing. So we're very, very bullish on the monthly time frame. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. It looks like we have a support that has been formed on this weekly time frame here. Now, if we look to the left, right, where can we push up to here this week, right? Where can we target? So it looks like there's a lot of wicks and some resistance, wicks, support, all in this area. So I think that's a pretty clean range right there that we can look to target here based off the weekly time frame. In a way, you do have a weekly onion play, right? We've created a resistance, we've come down, created a support. If we break this high here, we should have no problem pushing on up here. So let's take a look at the daily though, because the daily did close bearish, right? And we did close bearish below this range. So being that we're closing bearish below this range, well, last time we closed bearish below, what happened? Price drove down. We closed below here, price drove down, rejected, price closed down. So I could see us looking at a daily onion play here as well. So if we break these lows here, then this thing should go bye-bye, right? This thing should fill that wick at 180.70, 750, and then continue down to 180 flat. So let's see how we can anticipate that here. Right now, all we have are some bullish candles, and that's this daily top wick, right? So we have this daily top wick being formed. Let's see if we can get some sort of rejection, some sort of resistance to be formed on the 4 hour. Same thing here. Look, price is coming down to retrace, and then if we do get a resistance formed here, then that would be, our opportunity to jump in and look to take our sells, right? If we get some sort of a resistance right here for price to continue down. Right now, I know all you other guys, you guys are seeing this, right? You guys are seeing some sort of yeah, man, that makes perfect sense, total sense, right? Guys are drawing trend lines and stuff, but yeah, so then we can maybe take ourselves, coming back down in terms of an onion play off of the 1 hour time frame here. So let's take a look at the 30-minute, see if we have any signs of rejection. Not just yet. We've broken the highs. You have a 30-minute celery play coming on up, but I won't take my buys here on pound yen. If I do take buys, it'll be above this level here, and we'll take advantage of this clean traffic to the left hand side. So that's what it's going to look like for me. Buys above 181.850 on pound yen, range 2 buys. And then if we do form some sort of resistance, that would be ideal as well. So we got to wait on that, but right now we are bearish. We did push down, we're coming back up. If we can create some sort of resistance, that would be just perfect, and we can continue down with price here today. So that's the day. There is no level here just yet. As of right now, maybe we could look to form a resistance somewhere around these levels here. So let's just put like sells below for now, and we'll see if we can get that resistance. Yeah, somewhere over here, because you may get the fake out right here. So you get a fake out, and then price will continue down. So that's what we'll look for. Cool. Sound good? What up, Shad? Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give a stream a like. If you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel as well. And plug in. Plug in every day. Good morning, everyone in Zoom. Hope you guys are doing good today. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Some of you guys.
Morning, Nick.
Yo. Hold on one sec, bro. All right, what's goody?
It's good. Good morning, chat. Good morning, everyone in Zoom.
How are we feeling?
Feeling good. Feeling real good. Another day Another day to follow our plan and be patient, disciplined, right? Build upon that and grow in that. So new day.
New day, baby.
It's good, chat. How we doing?
Gold sells were so obvious. Well, I hope you took it. I hope you took that sell then. Did you take it? Did you take it? 500 easy. Hey, can we get 500 likes here today? I think we only got what, 363, man. Those are rookie numbers, chat. Those are like 2 months ago numbers. Man down, man down. Yeah, have fun. Did you see gold? Of course. Gold doesn't make a move without me seeing it. Not a pip, not a tick. But yeah, some of you guys are probably just chasing volume here, which 9 out of 10 times isn't going to work out for you. So what you want to do is you want to wait for this candle to close. We'll see where we're at, and then if we get a position, we get a position. But we don't want to force things here, right? Look at this thing. This thing's like a wild, wild west cowboy, right? So don't be a cowboy here, right? It's like eating a donut, right? You're trying to get in shape. You're trying to get fit. You see the donut, and you just can't hold back. And you just blow it. And then you think, damn, I got to run like 4.5 miles to burn that donut off. Right? So it's satisfaction, right? Instant satisfaction, but long-term pain, right? Look at this. You don't know what's going on. Your head's on a swivel. Profit, negative, profit, negative. It's like a rodeo. Yeah, exactly. Juicy donut. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Craziness. Holy. I know I wouldn't want to be in this position. All right, let's take a look at US 30 here as well. I think we had buys on US 30 yesterday that we planned out, that worked out. But let's take a look at the Dow here. We got just a few minutes for a 30-minute closure. So let's do a very quick top-down analysis here on US 30. So monthly time frame is very, very bullish, right? Weekly time frame as well is very bullish. We did close above all this resistance here to the left-hand side. We had a lot of resistance. We did close above with that candle, and price did push up. Now we have a lot of room left, right? If we look, the next resistance is right up top here at 3,500, and we did close above that level here. So would really like to see a little bit of a bottom wick on that monthly candle, but we do have clean range now coming up here to 36,430 here. So let's take a look at the daily and get an idea of where we're at here today. So daily candle did create a little bit of a celery play and closed above these levels. You do have this resistance here at 35,840. This resistance up top here that we may look to tap into, and then above that, you know, you have more clean traffic coming up. So if we're looking to take buys here today, how could we take buys, right? How could we capitalize on the move going up? Well, 4-hour time frame has a very strong support right here, and it does have a resistance right there as well. So we got to see if that candle is going to close above. If we're taking a look at the 1-hour time frame, we got to adjust that support a little bit, and then now we have to mark up our resistance here. So that's the range that we're currently trading in, right? Based off of this 1-hour time frame here. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. 30-minute, we could make a little bit of a minor adjustment, but nothing too crazy here. Boom. All right. So bam. So those are our levels here. Let's go back to the 1-hour time frame. Let's look left, and let's see the traffic that we have to the left-hand side. One sec. What's this? What is this? All right, we're going to have to adjust that, right? That's probably where most traders are going to get faked out here today, because they're not looking left to get right, right? So what else we got? So we got pretty clean traffic coming up. I could totally see us coming into these levels up here at What is this? 35600. Yeah, 35600. So that'll probably be the target here today, based off of this daily time frame, off the hourly time frame. If we do get a closure above, then we'll look to take buys going up, and that would make sense too, right? If the 4 hour is going to close above, that'll also be breaking that wick. If we get a closure on the 30-minute 1 hour time frame, this thing should fly. So that's the, oh yeah, look, breaking the previous highs. Yep, that's perfect. So that's what I'm going to be looking at here for US 30 today. So buys above, what is that? 35490. Yeah, 35490, and then we'll take range 2 sells below 35411 here. And for those of you who are going to ask, what lot size are you risking on US 30? We're going to do percentages on US 30. That's how we're going to do it. Okay, perfect. I'm going to use my handy dandy magic keys to run up a percentage on US 30. Cool. Beautiful. So that's the day here on the Dow as well. And now we just wait, right? We can come fill this range here, and then below that we got more clean traffic down here to the support, and, you know, clean buys up ahead too. So yeah, that's the vibe there. Did we get that done before the 30-minute? I think we did, right? Yeah. Perfect. All right, let's see how this candle wants to close here. Quaking. Oh, and it's quaking right now. Let's see if we could pull back. That'd be really nice. Do one of them like doop right back up. That'd be perfect. And then the closure. Ooh. Five lots on 100K account. Oh yeah. Oh damn! See, all you guys are buying GJ. I know you guys got impulsive. You chased the volume, and now look at you. Now look at you talking about buys. Come on, man. We talking about practice? Yeah, man. It's been a slow month. It's been a very, very slow month here. We have not taken many trades at all. That's horrible. What's horrible? Avon Moore. First it was 15K booked on gold. Now it's 12K booked on gold. You got to get the story straight, right? Before you make up lies. Let's see here. Patience, baby. Some people are just very impulsive. They have no patience. Zero patience. You should have taken a sell on gold. No, you should have taken a sell on gold at 7 a.m. Chat quaking.
Quaking.
You a grown man. You a grown man, son. Yeah, so we'll see how this candle closes here in 1 minute. We do have another support, very strong support down here to the left. So we don't want to get too happy about this because it's very choppy in this range here, right? A lot of wick rejections. Next, we want to see a closure below 1952 here. $30 candles and 5 minute. Yeah, yeah, there is a major difference between 30-minute candles and 5-minute candles. Yep. All right, yeah, you see that rejection there? We had no bottom wick. Now we have a bottom wick. Right, now we have a bottom wick here. So 7:30 has arrived. So let's take a look here at GJ, because we may have a position here. Let's take a look at gold. Gold closed. Yeah, we're not going to take anything on gold just yet, but GJ might be a go here. So let's see if we can come up, make a little bit of a steeper top wick, and then once we re-break that low, we should come down to 181 here today. Yeah. Yeah, let's see if we can get another one on the board here. See if we can get another on the board here. It's been a very slow month. Last couple months have been pretty clean though, right? Pretty much 100% win rate in June. May we had what, about an 87% win rate. So 87% win rate in May. April we only took 2 losses. So we've been trading very, very professional, gang. So you guys should be proud of yourself for staying patient and waiting for only the highest quality setups. Right? Those are going to be your best bet long term in the market. You can get impulsive, you could chase volume, but you know, that's probably not going to work out the best for you. So let's see if we can get a little bit of a steeper top wick here. Break the highs one more time and then come down and re-break these lows. Once we break the high, we'll have sell stops on the break of the lows there. What's your lot size on GJ? I use 10 lots or 20 lots on GJ. Hey, I'm from Russia. Hey, what's up? What up? Let's take a look here at pound yen. All right, yeah, let's see if we can break that high. And then we'll set sell stops on the break of the lows here. All right, there it is. So if we break these lows, I am going to have a sell stop here on the break of the lows. All right, yep, sell stops on the break of the lows here. So sell stops at 181.553. Right now, looks like stops are going to be sitting up here around 181.623, and then we're going to look to target 181, 400 here. So that's going to be the trade. Oh, nice. Clutch, clutch. So we'll see if we can break these lows here. And then the break-even point will be right here at this level, at this support level. So 181, 400-ish. Right around there. And that will be the trade. So let's see if we can break the lows here and get into this position. All right, looks like I am in. So I have been activated into some sells here on pound yen. Activated here. Stops are going to be above the current candle high. TP is going to be down here at 181, 300, 400, and then we're going to go break even right at that support level there. And that's the trade.
Done.
Job is done. We did get a pretty strong rejection here from the top side. We are bearish based off of the day. We can anticipate this daily candle coming down, flipping bearish, and continuing down here today. So that's the idea here. And all it is an onion play, right? It's just an onion play based off of the 30-minute time frame after a very strong rejection wick here. Can you change them? Nope. So we've done our job, right? We've executed on our edge, and now we just wait for price to play out, right? The way we're going to manage this in a winning situation is if once we come on down into this support level, which is about 12 pips, we are going to move stops to break even, probably close partials. You know what? I think I'm going to move stops to break even right around this support here, and then close partials down there. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So break even. Yep, just like that. Let them cook. Let them cook. Yeah, y'all get real quiet though when we get in trades. Yeah, spreads. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Yeah, so that'll be the break-even point, and then right at that support level is where I look to close partials. And let's take a look at gold too while we wait here. So, oh, gold created a very nice top wick there on the 15 closing no bottom wick, right? So yeah. Yeah, gold will wait for a closure below the range here. Yeah, gold is simple. Do. All right. So chat, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna move stops to break even. I'm gonna make it a risk-free trade. I'm not gonna close any partials yet, but yeah, the spreads are a bit crazy there, man. Oh, not too bad. Like 2 pips. So yeah, I'm gonna go break even right there, and then if we get this thing to run, awesome. But no risk on this trade anymore. We are now down, you know, approaching that yellow line down there. So that's how we're gonna make the trade risk-free. And then if it could run, it could run. If not, you know, we get tapped out at break even. Light work, light work. Do I use the same broker on gold as GJ? Yes. Yeah, I do. So next point of decision is down here at this support. Yeah, probably could have popped the 20 lot here. Probably should have. I didn't realize. I think the spreads went up after we got in the trade. So look at that. So BE has been tapped. And now let's see if we can get this thing to run. Why are spreads so high on pound yen? I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure, honestly.
That's weird.
I mean, they had some sort of news here, so that was a little bit earlier, but yeah, I'm not too sure there. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, let's see if we can get another push to the downside. So there we go. I'm gonna close partials right there as we approach this support level, and stops are at break even. It's gonna put them in profit a little bit, and that's gonna be a very simple, very simple trade there on pound yen. All right, there it goes. Beautiful. GJ is back on the board. Yeah, spread was crazy right there. But there we go, chat. Tapping into that level there, and that's going to be the trade. So beautiful. Good work. Going to close another partial of my position there. And that'll be the trade. So good work. Got about, what, 11, 12 pips out of that. So 12 pip trade. Not too bad. Not too bad. Get on the board here this week. Yes, sir. W. On to the next. So, yeah, I'm going to just keep a runner going now. If this thing decides to continue down, we keep it going. If not, no biggie. And now we'll wait on gold here. W's in the chat. Yes, sir. You're the best, bro. Yeah, you see how simple that was? Very, very simple, right? All right, let's mark that one up here. So that was at 7:30. 7:30. GJ's been on the board here this month, huh? That was a onion play. Yeah, 30-minute onion. That was on the current, right? No, that was previous low. Previous lows, 30-minute, full risk. Got about like, I don't know, what was that? That was like 8 or 9 pips. Spread was a little ridiculous on that. Yeah, I'd probably say that was like 7 pips. Yeah, we'll put 7 pips in there. But there it goes. Beautiful. All right, perfect. So that's the trade. Very, very simple. Anyway, let's finish writing that one up. Yeah, coming back. So yeah, close the bulk of that at 7, close more of that at 12, and that's the trade.
Profit.
Profit's profit. All right, cool. That's the trade. Now on to the next. On to the next one. Just do a survey about what chat thinks about pip count. Okay, so now we'll wait for the NY open, all right? Now we wait. NY open. Beautiful. Okay. On to the next here, gang. I remove logo background. I don't know, whatever. My spread. Thanks, Nick. Oh, yeah. My first trade on the funded account is a W. Hendrick. Let's go. Good stuff. I got BE due to spreads. Oh yeah, no worries. Are you streaming FOMC? Yes, we are. Yep, we'll have a good stream for you guys. We'll have one tomorrow morning, and then we'll also have another one during the afternoon. Hey Nick, as we wait for the next setup, could you quickly break down the trade? I wouldn't have seen that trade. Yes, absolutely. Let's do it. Let's take a look, right? Let's go back to trading view. Let's see, what did we see here? Well, you guys remember, right, when we were talking about the top-down analysis, that we wanted to see, right, we were very bearish on gold. So we created this on GJ. We created this top wick, and as price started coming down, we were looking for sells below here, right? Or we were looking for some sort of range 2 buys above this level here. I don't know why I meant to put range 2 buys there, I'm sorry. But we were looking for a resistance. Remember, we said, hey, maybe we'll get the resistance here, maybe it'll come up here, but we got the resistance right here. And what made me really interested in this trade was this massive rejection here, right? Very, very strong rejection. Onion play is almost like a onion slash celery play here, where price came down, created support, came up, created resistance, had a strong rejection wick. Entry was on the break of the lows there, right? Because if we're creating resistance here on a bearish day, well, we want to see where we could take our sells from. So we want to take our sells from a resistance, right? What does Raja teach all the time? Oh yeah, B tapped. All right, cool. What does he teach all the time, right? You want to sell from resistance, you want to buy from support. So if we can get an entry right around here, that's perfect for us. That's exactly what we're looking at or looking for. So therefore the entry was after this resistance, after this downtrend had come, we came up, we created that resistance, rejection, massive rejection to the top side, and then boom, entry on the break of the lows, right? Onion play slash, in a way, a celery play there. Yeah, straight out the playbook, right?
Money.
Straight out the playbook.
Yep. That exhaustion wick gave us extra confirmation.
Yep.
Well,
exactly. You know, we'll be in the time stamping booth. Hey, Joshua, shout out to Joshua, man. Appreciate you guys doing the timestamps on our stream. Really, really do appreciate that.
yeah,
I watch your
facts, that's
streams
what's up.
and eat chips. Nice. Well played. Thank you. Why I put my stop loss on current candle highs and not previous? Well, I mean, that's pretty obvious, right, Hooker? You know, these are 7 pips and these are 35 pips. So I wanted a tighter stop, right? And I believe if we're breaking this low here, after creating this high, then we should come down and make a new low, which we did, right? So if we've created a high, created a low, created a new high, we have to create a lower low now, right? As we break the current low or previous low. And that's exactly what price did. Simple price action. Yeah, simple price action. That was a great trade. Really expert. Oh, thanks. Got a trade. Yeah, sometimes that's what's good about live or tuning into people's live streams, right? When Don was streaming, he would take amazing trades, and I think, man, I don't think I would have caught that. I don't think I would have seen that there. And, you know, you start to develop an eye for it as you show up to the charts every day and trade with a, you know, maybe a little bit more of an experienced trader.
Sure.
Yep, that's what helped me. That's what people do. If you look in the real trading world where people trade for firms and on trading floors, that's what happens, right? They get assigned to a senior trader. They're considered a junior trader. they get assigned a senior trader and they trade under that guy, right? And they try and pick that guy's brain and learn what they can. And some of you guys are worried about the wrong things, but you need to be worrying about picking the senior trader's brain. And that's what I did for Don, and that's what I did for Raja, right? I asked a lot of questions, Goldie. Oh yeah, where that hater now? Shit. Yeah, there you go. See? Push it. What fund do you recommend? My Forex funds. Are you in a trade? No, we were in this trade. We're out. Update the spreadsheet for the haters. Thanks again for the GJ trade, bro. Yeah, no problem, man. That's what we do. Look at this thing. If you guys are still holding, now's a good time to maybe secure a little bit more profits here. But you should come down into this range, and we should continue down here, right? Because we are bearish overall. We've broken the 4-hour lows there. We're bearish on the daily time frame here. We're flipping bearish now. If we break this low, you should continue down. So very, very good opportunity there. Update the stats. Oh yeah, if that was a loss, that'd be what's the best time for trading gold? I think the New York session. We trade gold, right? So I believe that this is the best time to trade gold. So pre-New York, New York, NYSE open. These are very high volatility times. Yeah, once we broke that 4-hour low, we're gone. Broke the low, boom. Oh wow, same amount of people on stream here. Nice. Hey, yeah, gang, we do this for free, right? All we ask is that you just share our content. So anytime like the streams are live, go ahead and share that with your friends, man. Go ahead and share that with people. I think we really do talk about things that matter here, and I think a lot of people just need to start to hear a little bit more of these things, because a lot of people, they just don't believe in themselves, you know. And if you don't believe in yourself, what chance do you have of succeeding in life? Like, I think some of you, you know, or you guys want it, but you don't really believe you can have it. And that was me at one point too, right? Because of my upbringing, or the way I grew up, or what I thought success was. But you know, I got around the right people, and they started opening my eyes to what real success was. And they said, you know, you can do this. You can do it. You got to believe in yourself, though. And once you start developing that self-belief, it becomes a wrap at that point. All right, so let's take a look at gold here. Yeah, gold broke the highs. 1 hour. Look at this. Look at this. What did I say? You don't want to listen to the YouTube guy, man. What do we say? That this candle can close back in the range and even close bullish. And there it goes. Gold crazy. Yes. Gone. Yeah, this thing's pulling up heavy now. Pull it. Push it. Back into the range we go. Daily wanted to go bearish. Did we break the low there? I think we broke the lows. Yeah, we did. We broke the lows on that. So very, very, this is actually good. We need to just kind of get a closure below, right? Once we get that close below, we're in there. Yeah, go rewind the stream. We talked about this exact thing happening here, right? We talked about this exact move happening. Price coming all the way down and closing bullish back in the range. Could you take the same trade on gold that you just took on GJ? Yes, but but not before I see a closure below 1958. I'm staying completely out of this red zone here. I'm not touching anything in this zone here today. This is all choppiness. So if we do get that closure below, then I'll look to take my sells coming down. And those are going to be like the cleanest sells here of the day, right? And then if we do get a range 2 above here, I'll take buys coming up. But we're very clean coming down. We just really need to be patient and wait for that closure, because there's even more clean traffic below these levels here. So just got to wait on it. Just got to wait on it. Yeah, no thanks, red zone. Yeah, no thanks to the red zone there. Not touching that. Not touching that. Gotta wait for candles to close. Got to wait for candles to close.
Hey, yo, good morning, Nick.
Hey, yo, Jose. But
Hey,
love
you know you're on Raja's stream right now?
Hey, yo. What up, Raja? Shout out to Raja Banks. The GOAT, man, the GOAT. You guys hear me talking this way? Wait for candles to close, right? Wick fills. Where do you think I got it from? The man. The man himself. Appreciate you stopping by, bro.
Morning, good
Dub.
morning, good morning.
Dubs on dubs here
Jose.
today.
What's up, Jose? How you doing?
Dubs on dubs.
Pretty good. Let me see.
Beautiful, beautiful here. Hey, that's a big victory. That's a big, just to have, you know, my mentor and, you know, Raja on the stream is just absolutely incredible, man. Absolutely incredible. Just shows you how good God is, right? How good he is.
Sir.
Where you at, Jose? Where you at?
Coming live from the New York Stock Exchange.
Oh, Jose is live from the NY Stock Exchange, waiting on the opening bell here. We're waiting on the opening bell.
Hey, did you add that to your soundboard?
Hey, we need to mod Raja so people can't fake his name. When Raja comes on the stream, he needs to be modded. He needs to be modded, boys.
Sure.
Tandy. Yo, chat, some of you guys are funny, man. Funny. Good work. Oh, thank you, Raja. I appreciate that, man. Thanks for stopping by here today, too.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And it was such great timing too. I don't know why I got the notification on my phone. It said Raja Banks is live, and I clicked it, and it went like, it opened up your stream. I'm like, wait a minute.
Bro,
You're on
Raja
Raja's stream.
Banks is one of the biggest inspirations that you could find out there in the Forex world. Like, to see what this man did, right? From starting, his story is incredible, right? But just speeding up to when he was actually starting a live stream and make it, and like just gave his heart out every single day, right? He was a perfect example for me. Just kind of poured into people, all for free, right? On a daily, you know, every single day. And what did it do? Well, what it's doing for me is it's sharpening me. It's sharpening my skill set as well. And I'm sure that he experienced the same thing. And to see where he was and living in Canada, to moving to Dubai, to now, or moving to Pakistan and then to Dubai, and now, oh my God, now my man's got the Ferrari, the G-Wagon, and it's just super cool to see someone that I'm following be able to enjoy the fruits of their labor, and knowing that at one point, very shortly down the road, that I can have all that stuff myself. So big W for Raja, man. Thanks for always inspiring, for coming through, and, you know, always kind of setting the right tone and the right example for us to follow, man. So W, appreciate you, bro.
W. Oh.
Appreciate you. Okay, so pound yen closed. It's gonna move bearish now. Everything looks good, right? Great trade. Daily time frames flipping bearish now, so beautiful. beautiful. Let's take a look at gold here. Yeah, let's take a look at gold. So gold, we wait. Gold, we continue to wait. Yeah, this This candle closed with no top wick. So yeah, just wait on this now, right? We got the NY open here. And, you know, we should, if we do get a closure back below the range here off the 30-minute time frame, then we could take our sells coming down here, right? Basically, what we're looking at is some sort of a fake out back into the range, right? So something looking like this. And we'll look to take our sells coming down. Something like that. At 8:30, we should have a lot more volume dumping in. Maybe it's 8:30. Maybe it's 8:15. Maybe it's 8:30, but whenever it is, we'll be there. Trade like Jose's in the building. Yeah, he's in he's waiting for the opening bell right now. The stock exchange. We got him in there.
Yes, sir.
We got him in there. Hold on, I gotta see something here.
Yeah,
Got to
dope.
see something.
That is awesome.
Oh, look at gold. Pump it. Pump it.
Shero said, Jose looks like a meme material. What, is that a good thing?
Shiro's the one who be making the memes, right?
Shiro's dabbing.
Dab.
Dabbing on. All right. Yeah, so if we get this rejection here, look, we got no top wick on the previous candle. No bottom wick on the current candle. If we can close back below the range, that's our call. That's our cue. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Played out lovely there. Perfect.
That was a great position.
All right, let's get rid of this. Okay, now what we'll look to do is we'll look to take our sells, more sells below here. That's it. Simple. Buys above there, sells below there. Let's get rid of this. Cool. All right. So what up, Jose? How you feeling today?
Doing pretty good. How about yourself?
Dude, fantastic, man.
That's awesome.
Yes, sir. Hey, bro, we should have went to what was that spot called? Texas Roadhouse. Cause I forgot about that steakhouse. Is literally right here.
You know, I've never been there actually.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's pretty good. They got a lot of different cuts too.
What I really want to do is go jet ski. That's what I really want to do.
Same, bro.
Yeah, we could have did that day, but I felt bad that you had to drive home that night.
Yeah, I know. It would have been like all late and tiring.
Yeah, facts.
Yeah,
so
and that's
tomorrow's
tiring.
it's a suit and tie day.
Oh yeah.
Facts.
Tomorrow we got the
wait till
press.
you see what I got cooked.
Oh,
Oh,
snap.
Sammy
What
boy,
I got
just
to.
the man that I was looking
Sam.
for.
Wait till you see what I got cooked.
Just cook and let them cook.
Sammy boy, good morning.
We're gonna see how good the TT acting skills are.
Yeah.
Let's get it. Oh man, I'm hyped for tomorrow.
Tampa's in the building. Yeah, they're Raja thought I was ignoring him. Uh-oh. Hope not. Hope not.
Yo, I was actually watching this. I had the stream up and I was downstairs and when I joined.
Oh, really?
Yeah, no, I went and watched it from his point of view too. It's funny.
Oh, yeah? What'd he say?
He was just listening to what you were saying. He was like, "Yep, listen, he's telling you guys right now, candle closures, candle closures." And then you're showing the red range and showing that, yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, if he's still here, yo,
I'll have to
Roger, you
take a
the
look
goat.
at it.
I don't know if he's still here or not.
Yeah.
But
Raj the GOAT.
I'm not too sure. I'm gonna watch it
That
later.
was awesome.
Yeah, I'll take a look at it later.
Huge W.
What? All right, cool. All right. Samuel and Jose. Samuel. Nick Vobanks.
going up red. Sam, find the dono button, bro. I was trying to. This man's hiding it.
Okay. Let's update the record there, right? Hold on, I want to hear something. Oh. All right. Let me update the record for you guys. One sec. Oh, 71st win. 71st win. Beautiful. All right, that should be good. Oh, 56. Imagine our joint said 56 wins for the month. People will be like, what? Whoa. All right. $71 wins. Yeah, there we go. Should look good now, right? Tandy.
Dude.
Oh, nice. Pass phase 1 of my account. Oh, beautiful, bro. Congrats. Congrats. Yeah, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back, right, chat?
Hey. Hey, congrats on passing phase 1. Let's go. Sam, Jose, how you boys doing?
Yo, I'm doing wonderful, bro. How are you doing this morning, Johnny boy?
Doing great, bro. Very grateful, you know, for another day.
Absolutely. We're live, gang. We're live.
Let's go.
Actually, though.
Nah, for real. Woke up
Yeah.
today.
Absolutely.
Mm-hmm. Cool. W.
Who else is grateful that they get to be here this morning? I know I am. I know these guys are.
Chat, you grateful?
Or 2 W's too to start this morning as well. I seen.
Yeah, exactly. Yup, Tandy, exactly.
Another beautiful day to be alive. Another beautiful day to get at it and chase the goals.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Another beautiful day to do our job as traders. It's the best. Joey Stu, good morning.
Joe Stoop.
Praise God, yes. Sir Aaron. Morning, Daniel. Sergio. Yeah, but what a
Certainty. I think
W. Oh, bro. Red FX, good morning.
There we go, gold. There we go.
Red effects.
Hold on. I gotta hear what happened on. Hold on.
I sent you it on IG, a little clip of it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just a second ago. Yeah.
All right. With an amazing community and the goal we are all searching for. See, hey, Tandy's in the building. What up, Tandy? How's it going, broski?
100% Scott.
Oh yeah, and then you were like, just gotta
Oh.
wait on it, and then he goes, gotta wait. That's so funny hearing him say our slang, bro.
Oh. I hear our background music. There you go. Alright, I'll go back and watch that later.
Yeah,
So,
W.
yeah.
I didn't see the whole thing,
W.
but I had to see like when he first pulled her up. That was awesome, bro.
Nick, I think that was a little while ago. Yeah. Yeah, here
There's
we
a
go.
reason why he pulled us up, though. You know, we're doing great things here. You know,
Yeah,
he's not gonna pull up any random stream.
Yeah, we're doing
and
things right.
Shout it
Man.
out. Yeah.
So true, Sam.
We're doing things right. Right.
What was Nick saying yesterday? Yeah, if you knew the names, they got their eyes on us. Whew, some of y'all be quaking.
It's quick. I own these max 2 lots on gold. Nice. Johnny Gems. What up, Daniel? What up, Sandman? Sandman's in the building. Oh, a pod with Nick and Raja. Yeah, that'd be dope. Can't hear you.
You already know.
Okay, so can we start to see the descend now from gold? Can we see the candle close bearish below here? That's going to be what we're looking for. Other than that, GJ is running really nicely. We were very, very on point about the direction here. And if you get this 4-hour candle to close below, then you're going to have very, very clean traffic coming downtown here today. What's up, Mr. Bubs? What up, Bub? Some of you guys didn't want to take that sell on GJ because he took a loss or 2. Come on, man. Some of you guys hit me up. I'm done with GJ, man. I'm done. I'm done with this thing. I took a loss, man. I'm done. You just gotta trust right? You gotta trust data, man. You can't just get rid of a pair for 1 or 2 losses. You know, that doesn't really make that much sense. Do you trade funded capital or live? I trade funded capital. I mean, it's a live account, but it's 100K my Forex funds. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Don't get emotional with GJ. Y'all got emotions. Too much emotion in the game. Yeah, you want motion, but you don't want emotion. Missed the trade. I was at work. Ah, no worries. It wasn't a monster trade. Yup, that was me. Oh, that was a lot of you guys. That was like 10 of you. Hide your kids. Culprit. Got him. Got him.
Got him.
When's the last time you took 2 or more trades in a day? No. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. 2 days ago. Or on Friday. And then before that was on the 17th. Yeah, Friday. Friday was the last time we took 2 trades in a row. May, I think, was our biggest month in terms of, or March. May or March in terms of trades.
I believe we're starting to see more of like 2 trades a day.
Yeah. I need a win, man. I've been too impatient. You gotta be patient. Rajas and sells. Oh, nice. Amen, Gino. Amen. You remember last night's message? You remember the message that the Lord gave us last night?
What a message.
What was it? He needs to become greater. I need to become less, right? What better time to do that when you got massive amounts of people from 2 streams? Praise God. Can you show us your yearly stats? Yeah, these are all of them. So we started streaming in February. The other stuff I don't have on here anymore from last year, but started streaming in February. This is how we kind of started off. We kind of went, what was this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wins and 3 losses and 1 break even. That was us getting started on the live streams. And then as we cruise into March, we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 wins and 3 losses there in March. Pretty good streak we had going, and March got off to a good start. And then April we took a loss there on the first trade, but we only took 2 losses that entire month. Then we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 wins. So, and then a couple break evens in there. And then May we got a good amount of trades off here, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 wins and 4 losses. So 16 wins, 4 losses, 2 break even in May. And then June we were pretty much perfect in June. Took 1 10 pip loss, that was it. Everything else was all money in June. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, so everything was pretty much money, right? We were damn near perfect in June. And then July's been pretty slow here. But we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wins, 3 losses. 1 break even. Does the funded trader have better spreads? Yes, a little bit. They have raw spreads, but you're going to pay a little bit more in commission. July and August usually slow months. No, I mean, I wouldn't say that necessarily, but it's showing that here. It's showing July is kind of slow for us. Okay, look at this, gang. So come to Papa, right? Let's let this thing come into our lap here. If we can get 820 to push us down, break the low, and then close below here at 830, we will be in there. Do we have any news coming in at 830? Let me just double check here.
Just 10.
10.
All right, yeah.
Yellow folder right now.
So we're chilling. So we're good to go. So if we get a closure at 830, we're in there, gang. Lock it in. 10 minutes.
Papa.
What's your stop loss on gold? ¿Qué?
If you could find it, you could find it.
If you can
Nick.
find it, you can find it.
Yeah, yo no entiendo.
Amazing stats, thank you. Thanks, Colin. Oh, we got
Yo,
a
blip. That
there we
means
go.
there's lots of volume.
we got a question for Sam Capital in the chat.
Yes, he added you too. But he just asked what it means when
Mm.
a candle breaks its highs and then comes and breaks the lows, or vice versa. But that's just showing that there's lots of volume entering the market. Because if you're gonna break the highs and the lows of the previous candle, then obviously that candle's gonna be bigger than the previous one. So that's an indication that you got lots of volume.
You got motion. Some of y'all just got emotion. You want motion, not emotion.
True.
I'd like to have your discipline, but I'm waiting on it. Or working on it. There you go. Yeah, you'll get it. You'll get it. Here comes
Take time.
820 comics open. So let's see if we can get price to push down and close below here for us. I got a feeling that could happen here for us. I got a good feeling about this. Are you giving away the journal template? Yeah, you can find the journal in our Discord. So we got a free Discord. You guys are more than welcome to join the free Discord here. If you guys come up to the announcements section up top here, you will notice that if you scroll up, the template is right here. So once you open up this template, click make a copy. So go to file, right up here, file, make a copy. And then you can delete my stuff and start to track your trades, or you can just, follow along with my trades. Up to you. But yeah, the journal is available for everyone. Shout out to Don and Badger. Don and Badger for making that. Yep. They made it available for basically the whole internet. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, last night's War Room was incredible, gang. Just amazing. Are you smelling it? Yeah, sir. Do you use a prop firm? Yeah, I'm funded with my Forex funds. I also have 400K on the funded trader in a challenge phase right now. 22K on that sell. Nice. See, money's fake, gang. You see, some of you guys make 22K and it takes you like 6 months to do that. But if you notice, since Raja left, he made 22,000. I want you to actually think about that in your own brain for a second. How long will it take you to make 22,000 doing what you're doing right now? Not trading, whatever you're doing outside of trading. Right? So there's so much power in being disciplined. Let that motivate you to be disciplined, man. Let that inspire you to be disciplined. Right? You want to make real money, you're going to have to tighten up. Tighten up.
Unk.
Ooh, Unk is in the building.
The Unk is in the
Good
building.
morning, gang.
Scout.
Sam, good morning, Nick. Good morning, John. Good morning, Jose. Good morning, chat.
Good morning.
You missed
Good
Raja,
afternoon.
bro.
Oh, I missed Roger. Damn.
Yeah. Here, someone else wants to see the clip, so I'll send it to you.
No, that's
Me
me.
it too.
Yeah, showing love through streamer over here. I love Raja, bro. What a goat, bro.
Just gotta wait.
I like when he says it. That's so funny.
Just gotta wait. Wow.
You're
Beautiful.
gonna start repping our slang.
All right, look at this,
Gang.
chat. We got 5 minutes here. Planning to go funded soon. Can you just recap the process of it all? Do we need to prove that we can be profitable, or you buy a funded account, everything after that is profit? So, Joe, congrats on planning to buy your first funded account, bro. So the way it goes is that you pick an account size, whatever size that is. That size will have a price to it. You pay the initial investment, and then you enter into a challenge phase. So what they want to see, most companies, they want to see you make 8% within 30 days. So if you can get that done, they will pass you through phase 1, and then they want to make sure you didn't get lucky, right? So they want to make sure to put you through a phase 2 process, and during that phase 2, I believe most companies are doing 60 days that you have an opportunity to, oh no, actually a lot of it's unlimited now, right? Yeah. So forget about the whole like 30 days thing. So you get phase 1, you make 8% whenever that is. And then once you make that 8%, then you have to go back in for a second round and make 5%. If you can make that 5%, then you got a live account. So whatever it is, 80-20 profit splits, whatever the company's doing, every single month. So let's say you got a 100K account, you make 10%, you keep 8%, they keep 2%. Let's say you make 10,000, you keep 8,000, they keep 2,000. Simple. All you have to do is not break the daily drawdown rules, which is max daily drawdown. Most companies are 5%, and then the overall drawdown on most companies are like 10 to 12%. So that's the process. And then once you do get your live account, you take a position, and 30 days from there, you're able to take a withdrawal. Yes, sir.
Pretty much getting hired by a prop firm.
Yep. Come on, we got 2 minutes. Can we close below the range? Come on, gold.
Goldie.
What am I looking for on gold? Yeah, closure below this range right here. Closure below. Yep, we got nice clean traffic to the left. And that should push us down, right? We're going to anticipate that this daily candle, same thing like GJ, is going to want to flip bearish and break the lows here after creating a pretty nice top wick. 4 hour looks lovely as well here. 1 hour looks good too. What do you think about just directly buying the challenge, like so you get instant money? I think the profit splits are way less. Yeah, I think the profit splits are way less when you do it that way. So I'd rather get bigger. I'd rather just take a month and get everything done and have bigger profit splits. Like on my 400K account, I get 95% profit splits for the life of the account. So I would rather sacrifice 35, 40 days, get through phase 1 and 2, and then have that account, with those higher profit splits. Closure belowsure. Payouts every 30 days. Yeah, and then you could do payouts every 2 weeks too, depending on who you're working for. Or working with, I should say. Tap on your monitors. It'll help gold go down. Yeah, we got 45 seconds here, so we really need to see this candle close below. Otherwise, we can't take a position. Right? You have a very strong support level here. So we need to see that candle close below.
See.
Just wait on it.
Whatever gold wants to do. Bandwagons to the charts.
Yeah, so lock it in, because if we do get the closure, it may be a very quick push. Let's see what the stops are looking like. So if the entry's on the break of the lows, stops are 58 pips. So we're going to have to use current candle stops. So yeah, wherever that is. But TP is looking like it's going to be 1957.93. Break of the previous candle lows. Oh, we never closed below though. So yeah, never mind. Scratch that. Scratch it.
That's how you build on your discipline, chat.
Can you smell it? Yeah, now we will wait. Now we will wait again. The lovely waiting game. Let's take a look at pound yen. Oh, GJ did close. No, it did not close below. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, we did close below in the 30-minute here. So we should be able to get more sells coming down. 1 hour candle's still open. Never really created much of a top wick there.
it close below for you? I think it closed right at it.
What, gold?
No, GJ.
GJ closed below the 30-minute here.
Oh yeah, I'm looking
Yeah,
at that.
there's another
support.
little level
I'm
right
looking at
here.
the support.
Which one, this one?
That's what I'm. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at.
Yeah, and there's a support here. So I'm gonna let the hourly candle close here. Yeah, no, that's a good eye right there.
Yeah,
So,
because
yeah.
in the past, price made a support there,
Yeah, that's good.
and price action goes off of previous price action.
Good stuff. Fun to trade or which broker to trade with? Whoever they have to offer. If you pass phase 1 before the 30 days, do you advance? Yes. I think most companies you have to wait like 5 trading days. Yeah. Bring out the whole ocean. Get the papa, get the papa. Get the papa. Yeah, so we got to wait on the 15-minute here. And then we most likely won't take that. We'll probably just wait for the 4-hour close here, to be honest. Yeah, 4-hour candle closure, 1-hour candle closure. We need to wait for all that.
We'll also get to see what like the 4 hour wants to do. Well, where it closes.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, Raja dropped a new podcast today too, huh?
He does podcasts now.
No, I guess he was on somebody's podcast. Words of wisdom. I told that dude, I was like, I'm sure we'll be talking soon. He said, anything is possible, man. And I said, yes, anything is possible. Do you go with ACAP? Yeah, I used ACAP. Yeah, I went with ACAP. I got time to grab coffee right quick. Nope, don't move a muscle, Red FX. Don't move a muscle.
Stay right there.
What was the reason I went with the funded trader on the 400K? Because that 95% profit split for life. Yeah. Yup, and I think they're gearing up towards helping traders get $1 million account. So that's my long-term plan, is to have $1 million in one account. So they seem to be the ones that are talking about it most, and you know, I'd rather get it started with them. I'm not moving. I'm just kidding, bro. Go get the coffee. SRC in our playbook is the same? No, because in SRC you would have taken these sells here. So they're very, very similar, but we just got rid of impulse entries when candles don't close, you know, outside of the range. So like this move right here is an SRC move. So you can enter on the break of the lows here for price to continue down, especially during 8:30, right? High volume times. So that's yeah. A little bit different, but pretty similar. Quit my delivery job. Yeah. What's the link to the funded trader? I don't have one. You just got to go on Google. Take a look. Can you smell it? Yeah. I could smell it red. Yep. Yeah, if this candle would have closed below the range, we would have been in there. In there like swimwear, but gotta wait for our setups here. Yeah. Your stream's boring, bro. Hey, you're boring, bro. Get out of here. Get out of here. Sold gold on the close. Oh, nice, nice. Will you tell us when to buy and sell? Yeah. Yep. Just hold your horses. Just hang on tight. That's a compliment, because profitable trading is boring trading. Man down, man down. School ain't always exciting. This man be dropping gems. Bro, your stream help us out so much. Oh, thanks, man. How do you get the Excel tracker? You can get it in our Discord. Just go to our free Discord. You'll be able to find it there. Yeah. Cut that BTC guy in 2 bits. Yeah, you see, let's wait on the 4-hour candle here, and then we'll have a lot cleaner direction. But look at this. We've already wiped out the 4-hour lows here. So all we need is a nice 4-hour bearish closure, and we're going to be looking to take ourselves, because price should start to continue down. Man, what's GJ doing?
Chat,
Yeah, good call, John.
Thanks. Also, chat, we haven't missed anything. We didn't miss any move on gold, right? You can't miss a move that's not yours, right? So I don't think, if you guys think you got FOMO or you missed it, you didn't miss it if you're following this strategy.
Yeah, GJ's looking good too. We just now we just need a candle to close below, or if we come back up, we may be able to get sells from back where we took them before, right? So if we get a bullish push up here, something like this, and that'll lead to the 4-hour closure, and then all we do is now we wait for that closure back in the range, and then we can take our sells coming down here again, just like that. Just like that. My landlord's at the door. I need a trade. You should have sold on that impulse. Later. Why is volume very low? I think Sam's texting Jerome Powell right now, so he should have an answer pretty soon. Love your live streams, Nick. Can you look at GBPAUD? Yeah, let's take a look. What time is it? 39? Yeah, we got some time. GA. Let's take a look at GA. GBPAUD. Where's GA here? GA. All right, let's do a quick top-down analysis here on GA. See what we got going on. So GBPAU. Wait, do you say GBPAUD? Yeah, GBPAUD. So let's take a look. Monthly time frame, very, very bearish, right? We did break these highs though. That must have been some of the move from the pound news here. We did break the highs. Let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly's pushing down very clean, making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Looking good. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. Daily time frame is bearish as well, and we are pushing down, right? So we did break these lows. There is a wick to fill here, so keep an eye on that target down there at 188.570. There is a wick fill right down here for one to take advantage of. If we look at the 4-hour time frame, 4 hours looking very clean. I think we need to get a closure below this level here on the 4-hour time frame. If we can close below this 4-hour support, chances are you have clean traffic to the left-hand side. Price should continue down. Notice that wick is right near that support here, so that's the range in which I would be looking to trade. Yeah, looks good. Looks good on the 1 hour. Looks good on the 4-hour. Maybe just bring this down a little bit right there, and that's what I would be looking at. So I'd be looking for sells below this area right here, whatever this is, 189.486. Yeah, look to target this whole range right here. Very clean range. The green range. The green range. Yep, that's your trading range right there. So if you get that, take your sells. If not, just Just chill out and wait. How would you spend your first payout? How did I? I don't even know. I don't even know how I spent it.
Whatever you want.
Are you not entertained?
Why you do that with your voice? It's weird. Gotta learn the slang.
You gotta learn the
Yo, Nick.
slang around here.
Hey, come on, bro.
Quick.
It's trading ease.
It's trade. Oh, look at this. This is perfecto. This is perfecto. This may be one of those times, Sam, when the 4 hour doesn't create a steep top wick. If we close below here on the 1 hour, you may only get a top wick up to like 1958 here, or 1958, 750, 700. Bring out the whole ocean. Yeah, you gotta kind of create. You gotta learn our slang.
Yo, shout out Sam for the slang.
Slang. Shout out to Sam.
Shout out Sam.
This guy, John. Yo, John sounds like a baby goat, dude. Nah.
Yo.
Yeah, you gotta buy your account on
Hey,
my
bro.
Forex funds first.
Johnny Stu, you're still in Florida?
Hell
Yeah.
yeah.
This man's still in Florida, living it up.
Living it up, bro.
Scalp is at the New York Stock Exchange. I'm waiting to hear the opening bell over there, bro.
I got a lunch meeting with some market makers soon.
Okay. Okay.
Yo, Scalp, how's New York, bro?
New York's cool. New York's New York.
New York, B. New York. Grab the coffee. Let's talk
Getting
about it. Let's talk about it.
Yeah, facts.
I'm just waiting to get down to Florida, you know.
Nah,
Yes,
facts.
sir.
When you coming down?
Well, I'll be there the first week of August. I'll be there for a
Oh.
week. But permanently, I'm hoping by the end of the year.
Some more time? Nice. Gotcha. That's dope, bro.
Gonna stack these payouts.
Facts, bro.
Stack these payouts. How you doing? We're gonna come down here and start a deli, huh?
Tandy. We gotta go down. I'm gonna go down to Tandy's coffee shop.
Bro needs drugs. GJ down. Psst, man down. We got a bleeder. Yeah, no worries. No worries on GJ, man. Oh, look at that. Would you look at that? Would you look at it? Hey. Another sample size dub right here. Would you look at that? Top wick. Flip. Break the low. Come downtown. How you doing?
Wow.
All right, chat. The more we see this, the more familiar we become, and the more we can, more confidence we can have executing in the near future.
Experience. W for experience.
Oh, what do we got likewise? Can we get some likes on the stream, chat? We need 1,000 likes before 9 a.m. That's the thing. Like, that's like the standard. How many likes do we have here? Oh my God, only gang. Can we get some likes on the stream? If we can, let's get to 1,000 likes. We really need that by 9 a.m. here. Every big W we had in the last week has come because we've had more than 1,000 likes before 9 a.m. So I'm gonna need that. I am going to need that, gang. You guys know I'm a bit superstitious, right? You guys know I'm an athlete. You guys know I'm a pitcher, and every single time from the dugout to the mound and the mound to the dugout, never once did I step on that white line. So I'm gonna need this 1,000 likes here before 9 a.m. Otherwise, we just can't take a trade. I'm not risking that. I'm not risking it, man. Oh, nice, Jonathan. Good stuff. Learning. Bro, do you think GJ will move down? Oh, yeah, of course. I'm waiting
GG's
for a
XAU.
closure. Yeah, I'm waiting for a closure below here. Yep. Yeah, I'm waiting for the 1 hour candle / 4 hour candle to close. What the heck is this? What the heck? Oh snap, we're almost to 1,000. We are almost there. My bad, I was looking at the wrong stream. I'm like, what's up with y'all? Closure, belosure. My RSI. Thanks, man. You're the best teacher for me. Oh, cool. Cool, cool, cool. That's cool, Nick. About baseball, I was a pitcher for years myself. Oh, nice. Throughout the high school and the leagues. Hey, Forex Frank. W.
Big league,
Oh,
damn.
man. We're creeping on 1,000 here. We are creeping. We got 1,800 people here, so, or 1,900, so it shouldn't be too difficult for y'all. Chat, bring out the whole ocean of likes. There you go.
Can we please
Yeah.
get 1,000 likes? I'm trying to get a gold trade this morning. Come on.
Hey, give me 1 sec. By the time I come back, I have a very, very good feeling that we can have 1,000 likes. Let me go grab some water, and I will be right back.
Drop a like, chat. Drop a like if you're smelling these gold bleeders. Drop a like. Let's go. 1,800 of you here. Shout out all 1,800 of you here who, you know, are looking to better themselves and have the opportunity with Forex to do it. You know, shout out y'all. Enjoy the process wherever you guys are at. Process trader is the winning trader long term. Remember that. Right? Amateur trader doesn't focus on the process. He focuses on the outcome of every single trade. Professional trader focuses on the process, doesn't care about the outcome. He is just so focused on his process and he enjoys his process the whole way through. Right? We don't look at our accounts like that. We don't set any goals or targets, right? We don't get emotional with the charts. You know, we take whatever the market is willing to give us every day. Whatever it's gonna give us, that's what we take.
Let him cook. Johnny's spitting.
Hey, it's 20 more likes. Let's go.
Oh, did we not get it yet? Damn, I don't even want to look then. I don't even want to look. I'm gonna look in
Oh,
like
look, bro.
10 seconds. Hopefully chat doesn't
Yo, let's go.
disappoint me.
Run it up with the likes so Nick can look at his charting. Send it to your grandma. Send it to family. Send it to friends.
Send it to your mamas, your mamas, your baby mamas, your grandmas, your grandpas. Send it to them all.
There we go. 1K. 1K.
Did we do it? Did we do it?
That's how you run it up. So
Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, what else we got here? If we close below, the sell stops will be the high of the last candle. No, we'll have to see about that. That stop loss is going to be way too high for us. So we're going to have to wait for the new 4-hour candle to create a top wick, and then we will look to use that as our stop loss.
NSV, new BTC trader. How much do you have in your account? You're on our stream, buddy. Cheryl, dab on that man. I don't like his attitude. Dab on him.
Oh!
Everyone dab on new BTC trader.
yeah,
I didn't even see him. Where is he?
He told Sharo to dab on him. Sheesh. That's actually insane.
You're on our stream, buddy.
How about me? Oh, yeah, yeah,
Haters
yeah.
gonna hate. Lose gonna
Oh,
lose.
Yeah, I
chat
never
dabbing.
understood that.
Yo.
Oh, that. Yeah, did you actually like? I understand maybe you thought it, but then to actually look down at your keyboard and type the letters in and then actually hit send. I mean, really?
To type it out and reread it in your brain is one thing.
Man got dabbed on.
Oh, damn. He's dabbed out. Hey,
Yeesh.
Yeah, I like that. That's a good friendly way to check people.
cheat check. Congrats on 11K subs. Hey, 11K subs. Awesome. Beautiful. beautiful. Thanks, guys. We're on our way to 13 subs where we're giving away $100,000 worth of challenge accounts. So let's do it.
Oh,
Oh, damn, chat. Chat's trolling.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's
I swear.
My
Nice.
ears, bro. Sorry, chat. I was trolling y'all on that one.
we like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
There you go. There you go. Chat does a little trolling here and there.
Yeah. I love chat. I love you, chat.
we like
Sorry,
to troll.
Tandy. Sorry, chat. Sorry about your eardrums there.
Let me see.
It's like pulling teeth to get likes. All right, this is looking good. We got 8 minutes. My dog is walking himself
Oh.
after that. There you go. Yep. Shout out to Odin. Shout out to
Oh.
both Odins.
Odin.
Can we trade news if it's a yellow folder? Yeah, of course. Yep. News at 3 a.m. will push. Oh, where do you live at, Bold? Hey, shout out to Bold. Bold's been here for a while, too. Shout out to Bold. Wold in the building.
Heck yeah. Old's like 18 too, I think, or something like that.
Yeah, he's
16.
young. Young buck.
Oh,
Getting it. Odin
Young.
times 2.
Oh, that's cold.
Oh,
Oh,
that's
okay.
cold. I thought Cold and Bold
He's,
were both
he's
pretty
here
young.
too, though. He's always like texting me through the stream, asking questions. W. Dude.
that's just
W.
good shit.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust
Yeah,
me.
cold. Say
You're
something
not that
interesting.
guy.
Shout out to Bold too, though. Yeah, he has.
Bold
been here for,
15.
he's been here for a minute.
Bold has been here.
Damn, bro, you're 15.
Oh wait,
Sheesh.
he is 15.
Yeah, I told you.
Wow.
I told you. He was
Wow.
young. He's young,
Yeah.
too.
Bro, you're absolutely chilling.
Wow, yeah, bro.
Wow.
Think about just like 3 years, you'll be a beast, bro. You'll be 18. You'll be
3
a
years, he
beast.
gonna be quaking.
Think
gonna
about
be-
exactly what Sam just said.
Man's gonna be quaking on the way
Right.
to the bank.
For real, where could you be by the time you're 18? And you have the opportunity to, create that now. You have the opportunity to pretty much tell your future, right? To create your future right now for what you want it to be like in those 3 years. So take full advantage of it, bro.
Yeah, nah,
Bold
take
has the
that very
richest
serious.
18-year-old.
Yeah, take it very
Lot.
serious, man. Very, very serious.
A lot of people wish they can go back, so
Yeah. Yeah, could you imagine what you will accomplish over the next decade, right? By the time you're 25.
sheesh.
Yeah, and don't stress it either. Like it might seem like a lot. It might be like a lot of pressure, but time is still definitely on your side. Don't stress it. It'll come. If you show up here every single day, or at least to the charts every single day, and you look for answers, or you ask questions to the chart and you try to find the answers, I promise you,
Yep.
like, you're gonna grow. That's how you grow.
Yep.
It'll definitely.
And
be.
like we just said, right? Focus on the process of trading. You think about this long term, you stay focused on the process of trading. You're gonna make improvements in this service, and you're gonna soon be an expert. The more you just consistent at it.
Yeah. Don't stress it though, guys. Like, think about it. You're already in the right place, so
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. No stress. No
takes
stress.
time.
Yeah.
Yep.
Give yourself time to grow.
Yep. And always remember, any trial or error you go through, that's any misfortune you go through in your process, that's gonna be disguised an opportunity. It's opportunity in disguise, right? So that trial, that error that you went through is if you look at it the other way, if you look at it the good way, it's there to help you, and it's gonna help you push you closer to where you want to be. You know?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So stay at it. Give yourself time to grow. Have some grace with yourself. And don't settle either. Sometimes like you go through a rough patch at a young age and you think, you know what, I got years. You know, don't think in that way. Like, have patience as a professional, but have urgency as well, right? My mentor used to call it urgent patience. So have urgency, but understand that there's patience that's required here. And a lot of people can't figure it out. They can't wrap their mind around that concept there. But if you can, you will you'll get off to a great start. And whether you deal with some trials and tribulations, you'll just continue moving forward, right? Because you know where you're at, you know what you're called to do, and you're probably gonna have a good time doing it.
Yeah,
how do you?
That's so true.
Yeah, enjoy the process. If you can enjoy the process, have grace with yourself, know that failure is a part of anything, right? When my son Maverick tried to start walking, he kept falling over and over again, but eventually he got it, right? So same thing with us, man. We're gonna start trying to trade. You know, it's not gonna make sense. Whether it's trading, whether it's playing the guitar, right? Whether it's speaking a new language, whether it's playing a new sport, whatever it is, we're going to deal with some difficulty in the beginning. You know, I think a lot of people are just soft nowadays, right? You're going to deal with some difficulty, right? You're going to deal with some struggle. You're going to have to get used to things. You may look a little stupid in the process, but you got to understand the reward at the end, right? Some of you guys know my mentor, he always tell me, write your goal, write your plan, and then forget about your goal and go work that plan, right? And just go stay steadfast in the plan, keep a positive, optimistic attitude throughout the process. Understand that failing is good, right? That failing leads to learning, and that if you can fail forward and stay positive through the failure, that you'll come out on the other side pretty quickly. You know, most people, they get caught up in that emotional phase. That's why trading is so good, because no matter what you do in life, there's emotions that come with it, and you learn how to handle your emotions here as human beings, right? Human nature just wants to, you know, get very emotional, but your emotions will sway you. They're like feelings, you know, they're overrated. My mentor used to say, you know, feelings are overrated. Oh, I didn't feel like reading tonight. Well, it doesn't matter if you feel like reading tonight, right? He would say, when did I say you have to feel like reading? Right? Successful people are willing to do what unsuccessful people aren't willing to do. And not only that, but successful people are willing to make a habit of doing what unsuccessful people aren't willing to do. And that's what you got to develop. And as you develop that and you understand the process, that there's a time to grow, there's a time to work, and there's a time to reap, right? And you just kind of have that whole process lined up in front of you. The journey should be pretty good. Shout out all the way from South Africa. Oh, a 17 gang. T-Rex is 17, I'm assuming. I'm older, guys. I am older. Older, younger. There's no such thing. Age is make believe.
Literally.
Tell my body that, man. Yeah, if you take care of your body, it's called slowing down the aging process, right? Look into biohacks and stuff. These are things that really intrigue me. All right, so we did get a 4-hour closure. It looks like we did close below that support to the left. All we need to do now is wait for a 15-30 minute close below this zone here, because until we close below the zone, we're going to be chopping around in this current range here. So I told you guys from the jump of today, right? I am not touching anything in the red zone here. Nothing. All right? Nothing in this red zone for me. But if we do get closures below, then we'll look to take advantage of all that green. All that green. Right, green? Tighten up. Enjoy martial arts. Yeah, there you go. Get out of your comfort zone, man. That's the biggest thing. You got to get out of your comfort zone. right? Your comfort zone is a casket. My mentor always used to tell that to me. Your comfort zone is a casket. And he would always push me outside of my comfort zone. Always, whether I was ready or not, right? Ready or not, here it comes. And that's how you grow in life, gang. Ready or not, go. Go. Right? On the live streams, was I totally ready? Did everything line up? Did I have my whole setup in the beginning? No, right? It was just, let's go, right? Let's actually take steps into beginning and getting motion going, right? We had to get some motion going, and then everything everything will fall into its own place. But I think too many people are trying to be ready before they go, and sometimes that's just not the case. Right? You gotta ready, set, go. Right? If I would have waited till I was fully ready to start the Bible studies, I would have probably not started them, right? No. Holy Spirit said, I'm with you. Let's make it happen. Right? There's souls to be saved. All right, let's take a look at pound yen here. So 4 hour did close here as well. It closed bearish below the range, so that looks good also. Again, we just need a closure on the lower time frames here, below these levels. Once we get that, we'll be in there. GA, I don't trade GA, so you guys can just trade GA. You don't have to put it in the chat. Spamming is disrespectful to your fellow chat members. Please don't spam. I love how you're so unashamed of the gospel, bro. Yeah, the gospel changed my life. The gospel is the good news, right, for all of us. So it is the good news. GA, no bottom wick. Yeah, gang, I don't trade GA, so I'm not too sure why you're trying to alert me so much about it. Spammers. Should we be looking at the 15 or the 30 on GJ? We can look at both, right? But one thing we do know is the 4 hour is going to need a top wick, and that's what we're doing now. So as we're creating this top wick on pound yen, then what we're going to do is we're going to wait on the 15 minute or the 30 minute. Once we get a closure, if we're going to take it off the 15, we need to adjust our support a bit, right? We need to come bring it down here. And then if we get a close below that support, then we have clean traffic to take advantage of here. And we probably won't, like in this case, I would probably move stops to break even right around these levels here, 15 pips, and then hold this position for like, another 30. It's like a 50 pip range here. So that's our top wick for the 4 hour though. Looks good. Broke 1 hour highs. Beautiful. Broke 30-minute highs. Very nice. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Hey, chat.
You look at this.
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
The car is not perfect.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah, well.
What the heck is that?
What the heck is that? Man down, man down. My entry's your exit. Looks beautiful. Looks beautiful. New subscriber from Uganda. Hey, thanks for subbing to the channel. Gold celery play? Where? I don't see any. If this candle closed bullish, then yes, but bullish below the range, but it closed above the range. So it's not too much of a valid celery at that point. Yeah, this is good. We're pushing down here now. So this is really good. Let's wait on the 15 or the 30-minute time frame, and we'll be looking good. New subscriber from Wakanda. What the heck is that? It's crazy how You're all over the world, but yeah, isn't that crazy, Joe? Hey, there's people all over the world here. All over the world today. Love from South Africa. Look at that. Just wait on it. Yeah, we got people all over the world. Love from India. Look, Hong Kong's in the building. Hong Kong. Oh, wow. Korea. France. Denmark. Portugal. Dubai. Belgium. India. Croatia. UK. Oh, dang. Kenya. Somalia. Brazil. Pakistan in the building. Slovakia. Australia. India. Wow. Brazil. Kazakhstan. Bring out the whole world. Bangladesh. Barbados. Hey, Barbados. Mongolia. New Zealand. Madagascar. Portugal. Dubai. Wow, UK. Yeah, awesome. Planet X. Palestine. Nice. The Netherlands. Zimbabwe. Oh, okay. Are we just calling out where we're from now? Look at everyone's proud. Dominican Republic's in the house. Hey.
And
Que lo que? South Africa. Canada, eh? Germany. Hero of the day. Antarctica. Lebanon, hey. Malaysia, Morocco. Awesome.
damn.
Pretty interesting. Malta. Pakistan. Slovenia. Jamaica, man. Hey. What up, man? England's in the house. England. How you doing today from England? Oh, no, I'm sorry. That's not a good England voice. Italy. Italia. Toronto. Hey, shout out to Toronto. Czech Republic. Southern Cal. Oh, SoCal. Not by choice. I love how he put that. The guy from California puts not by choice. Love it. It's beautiful weather, but man, California's turned into a real... Afghanistan's in the building. Love from Pakistan. We got Mars in the house. We got people from Mars, and he probably ain't lying. There's a lot of aliens that look like humans these days. DC. Hey, yo, DC. Nepal. Oh, nice. Nigeria's in the building. North Korea, Canada. Nice, nice. Romania
North Korea.
with Andrew Tate.
That's what I was gonna say, yo. That's great.
Earth. I'm from Earth. Switzerland. Hey, I gotta plan a trip to Switzerland, man.
I don't believe you. Dude's name is Luke Brooks from North Korea.
Yeah, he's capping. He's capping.
That's not his cap.
Luke, it sounds like you're from Tennessee, pal.
Yeah.
Washington,
Yo,
D.C.
Chad's trolling.
Trolling.
Yo, everyone capping.
Luke Brooks trolling.
Tell him to bring out the whole ocean.
Pluto. All right, all right, all right, all right.
Oh yeah, hero of the day.
Dude's creep.
Somebody lying.
Yo, mom.
TTE
Yeah,
has
Mom.
the first traders to trade from Mars. There you go. Hey, chat. Price is setting up just lovely here for us. Just lovely. We broke the lows. We need to close below here. This is going to be the best trade of your life. You watch. We may be able to have previous candle stops here too. Yes, sir. Just wait on it. This is looking good. I'm from YouTube. I'm from Discord. I live in Discord. Kanye West. Uncle Scott, where you from? Staten Island. How you doing? Talk to me. Scalpy's busy over there. He's running up them emails.
Yo, Scalp, tell him to shove it, man.
No, he's busy. He can't hear us.
Oh,
He's on a
yeah.
call. There he is. He's on a call with Pelosi.
Hey, you talking to my girl?
Oh, which comment should I read here? Which comment should I read? Which comment should I? Oh, Jesus is King. Yes, amen. Hallelujah.
That's the one to read.
People nowadays be watching these TikTok. TikTok? TikTok? Are you on
Jesus
TikTok?
is king.
How many of you guys ever seen the Gary V? Are you on TikTok? You need to post more content. Jerome Powell. Do you play games?
Those are hilarious.
Nightbot should know what game I play by now. So exclamation point, do you play games?
Game of life.
Big ups to all of you guys, all the way from Manchester. Hey, yo, Manchester's in the building. Gold is looking good. Gold is looking good. Why is gold moving so weird this month? Haven't earned nothing. Yeah, gold's been a bit choppy here ever since CPI. If you guys notice, we kind of just like slowly recovered the move on CPI. Yeah, look at this. Just really, really clean push up. And then this one had a whole bunch of herky-jerky stuff happening, right? Nasty, and just kind of slowly making our way down here. Gold's been a bit rangy, right? A lot of range. Lots of range since that push up, right? You had a nice clean push up. And then the majority of time we ranged, right? We got a little bit of a clean push there, and then range. And this was kind of a range as well. And you had a nice little push down, but then pretty much just ranged after that. And this has just been ranging, you know, the entire time here. So, yeah, not much we could do here on gold. Gold's price action hasn't been too clean this month. And that's a good thing that we don't have trades because we've only really taken the highest quality trades. So, you know, it's actually a good thing when I look at price here and I go, oh, wow, I don't have that many trades this month. Well, that means I'm probably being very, very disciplined. Right? I'm probably sticking to my plan to the T. The game of life. There you go. Exactly.
Sure.
Me no play games. Can you explain what we're looking for? A closure below this zone here. Yeah, we have the 15-minute candle close, and we also have NYSE coming up here too. So we should start to get some volume. So let's see what happens with this 15 closure. And we could look to set sell stops on a 15-minute time frame here. Okay, let's see what these previous 15 highs are looking like for stop loss. 43 pips. Yeah, it's getting a little high there. All right, we got 3 seconds here. Let's see if we can get a nice steep top wick coming up to like 1957 500 here, and then we'll set sell stops on a break of the low. Because gold should continue down now, right? We should continue down. We've already gotten this pullback here. Nice little pullback there. This stopped out see how this candle didn't close below? This candle right here entered in sellers, stopped them all out, right, with this high here. And now we're back down. So now we should be good to come down. But I'm not going to enter off the 15 unless I get a wick up into this 1957 500 area. If we get that, we'll have sell stops on a break of the lows. Blood in the water. All right, there it is, chat. So I'm gonna have sell stops. Sell stops on the break of the lows here at 1956 420. 1956 420. Let me see what the stops are looking like here. Yeah. You know what? I think we're gonna use previous candle lows here. So 1955 955. That's pretty much gonna be the sell stop there on the break of the previous candle lows. We've got that top wick now, so we look good, but it's got to re-break the lows now. If it re-breaks those lows here, we should continue down. If it doesn't, we'll most likely wait for 930 here for price to give us that real push. But that's the top wick we were looking for. We may get a 15-minute celery too. We may actually want to wait for that. Yeah, we may want to wait. Yeah, because we want to make sure that this candle is going to close below the range. But, I mean, if we do break these 15 lows, I think it should be good. So I'm going to have sell stops here on the break of the lows, 1955, 940 here. And stops are going to be the current candle highs. So current candle highs are about 1920 pips. And that's going to be the sell stop. So stops are going to be right around, as of right now, 1957, 1958. 1958 here above the highs. And stops are going to be on the break of the low. And if we don't get activated, we'll just wait for the 30-minute candle to close. And as long as that 30-minute candle closes below the range, then we'll still, keep our positions here. And then break even will be right around this support level here. I think if we wait for the 30, we may get a better entry. But this candle could drive here, so if it breaks the lows, it should drive. If it doesn't break the lows, then we'll just wait on the 30-minute time frame here. $40 pip stops? No, I got a 20 pip stop right now. 20 pip stops. $20 pips. Yeah, overall TP today is pretty steep too, man. We got a lot of room here.
Chat, wake up.
Chat sleeping. Chat's asleep
Someone just
today.
said, why am I quaking? I don't know. We're not even in the trade. It's a good thing you're asking yourself that question, though.
Why am I quaking?
Be sure where.
Just tell him.
Tell him to bring out the whole ocean.
Let's see the way the 5-minute candle's closing here. Closing bullish. Yeah, it looks good. Looks good, but I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to just delete these sell stops here. I have a much better feeling about the 30-minute close. We can get a higher entry as well. And we may have a 15-minute. If we can't get a higher entry, we could also get the same entry for a 15-minute celery play. 30-minute push. Yeah, I think we'll wait for that. That sounds much better to me.
Look at GJ 1 hour.
9:30.
Yeah, 9:30. Just wait on it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, 30 minutes a bit better. All right, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Wait on it. Hey, look at that chat on GJ. Look how price action always repeats previous price action. Right? Like just look left. It's pretty beautiful. Fuck your chain. Huh? Yep, we are waiting for 9:30. Yes, sir, red effects. Smelling it.
Smell on it.
Smelling it. Oh, yeah. US 30, I believe you need that range 2 below there. Range 2 sells. Hey, Bruce is coming. News ain't till 10. Hero of the day.
Yeah, there's a good enough window of like period of time between 9:30 and 10 that if a setup were to present itself at 9:30, that at least we could be break even or out of the trade before 10.
Facts. Listen to Sam.
Because you have all that volume coming in at 9:30.
Facts.
Somebody
Yeah.
say volume?
Those of you in the chat know. Those of you in the chat know 9:30 is our time, right?
Hey, Dad's in the chat.
9:30 and 10:30.
Yeah, bro.
Devin. Oh yeah, this looks really, really good. Very good. Let's take a look at US 30 here. Yeah, we need a range 2 sell here on US 30. Yep. So notice how it's just kind of still chopping around the range here. So not much going on just yet. 9:30 sweet spot. Scott knows. Scotty boy
Sure.
knows. Tandy boy knows. We got 5 minutes here, chat.
It's time!
Oh, if we get that closure below, Bruce done said it himself. Bruce. Did he remove the sell stops? Yeah, I did. Yep, we're gonna wait for 9:30 here. We wouldn't have. I don't think. We wouldn't have broken the lows anyway, right? So our stops, our sell stops were over here. But with 5 minutes left now, it's just. Did I delete one? No, I didn't even sell it. So perfect. We're already activated.
What is your strategy, sir?
Wait and then buy. And then wait and then sell. All right. Cool. Later. Yeah, we got a 15-minute celery ahead of us too, so looks good. Looks really good. That'll probably be our stop loss as well. This 15 high, which is about 18 pips. So that looks good. Looks really good. Ever get tired of funded? Never. Never. A little bit of trolling. All right, this is good. This current candle though has to close below the range. Yeah, and that would be the 30-minute too. So 30, everything's got to close below here. But lock it in here, chat. We got 2 minutes. 2 minutes coming up. So as of right now, my stops are going to probably be sitting above the hold on, let's see the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, stops are going to be the new 30-minute candle high. Entry is going to be pretty much the opening of the candle. So if it comes down and makes a little bit of a low and then comes up and makes a top wick, that top wick's going to be our stop loss. We got news in 30 minutes, I know. Yep, that's in 30 minutes though. That is not now.
Nick, what do you have your TP set to?
TP is going to be, for this trade, it's going to be really 1951. 1951. Yeah, 1951 even, because if we start breaking through these lows and then we break through these lows, price should be able to get down here to 1951.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Yeah, and then 1946 is below there too, man. That looks decently promising here. So, chat, this may be quick, right? So just be ready here. This may be quick.
You're gonna do current candle stops?
Current 30-minute candle stops. Let me just see something here. No, I'm gonna do previous 30-minute candle stops as of right now, and then I'm gonna enter based off the 30-minute time frame. So there is a 15 celery. At that point, that's where we'll go break even. So let's see if we get a top wick here. All right. Perfect. So sell stops, chat. Break of the lows here. Sell stops and a break of the lows. $9.30 coming in. Should have volume on our side. Once this low breaks, we should have no problem filling that wick and then continuing down. It's 9:30, baby. Where y'all at, chat?
Edge.
Where y'all at? Yeah, so pretty much break even is going to be right around these levels here. risk-free break even at this point, and then maybe close partials there. Oh, wrong thing. Template. But definitely break even at that point. And that would be activating, yeah, so that would be the 15 breaking the lows there. Yep, perfect. So this is good. This is a very, very nice top wick here. We may have to adjust the stop loss. Oh no, we're previous candle high, so perfect. Perfecto.
Sir.
All right, sell stops have been set. Bruce is coming out.
It's time!
If we break those lows, we're coming down.
Sir.
Just a daily reminder, don't be quick. Yep, accept your risk at all costs during this trade. I'm just taking this position. It's on you. If you guys want to take the same trade as me, hey, that's fine. But it's just a position I'm taking here today, and that's it.
Yep. Also accept that the outcome of this trade is going to be random.
Yep, the
We have
outcome
no
of
idea
this.
what it's going to be. It's going to be random.
Amen. This will be a random outcome, gang. We don't know, right? It's like we have a die in our hand right now. We're going to roll it, and we're just hoping not to hit a 2, right? There's a high chance we won't hit that 2, but there's still a chance that that 2 gets hit, right? So keep all that in mind. Make sure you're good with your stops. Make sure you understand what you're putting at risk here, and let it fly. Good luck. This is not financial advice in no way, shape, or form. We in the building, Nick. Hey, what up, Unique? Gold playing games? Nah, it's just creating a top wick.
Ooh.
It's got to entice
So,
all
like,
the people
three-
taking buys off the 15-minute high, right? With no bottom wick.
I just saw like 3 pip spread.
Where? On gold?
On gold down. Coming down now.
2 pip, 2 pip, 1 pip, 1 pip, 2 pip, 1 pip, 2 pip. 1 pip, 1 pip, 1 pip, 2 pip. Oh, if we break that high, we're probably going to cancel these sell stops. Are we going to respect the high of the previous 30 minutes? Will we respect? Uh-oh. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if we reject and come down. Right, we've seen this. This is something that we've been watching over and over again. Let's see if that's what happens here today. I'm not going to delete just yet. If we start pushing through, I'll delete it, but not just yet.
On trading view, it didn't break it yet.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you see that?
Still chilling.
Would you look at that? Break. Some of you guys want to get into a trade so bad, but then when it's time, you're like, I don't want to get in this trade, man.
How sure are you about this?
Break the high.
Goldie trolling.
even if it flips and breaks its own low now.
That's gonna be good.
That's what I think.
If it can break this high and then flip and break the low, with volume, then that'll be nice. But if
We've
if
seen
it
that
breaks the
before.
high again, then I'll get rid of it. But until now, we just kind of broke it, stopped people out, and now we're rejecting here. But if we end up breaking this again and pushing up, then I'll delete them.
Yeah, I like that. Cause like the previous 1 hour and 4 hour,
Yeah.
both bearish.
Yeah, and we've seen that like before where it, like broke the high by like a pip, and then it continued down.
Yeah, 9:30 too.
Mhm.
Yep. Yep. We do a little trolling.
Andy.
Tandy, what's going on there, pal? What's going on? You insult Nightbot, you're gone. Yeah, if we push up and break this high again, we'll just delete. Man, Goldie was looking real good there for a sec. I did not delete just yet. I still have him up. If we end up breaking that high again, then I'm gonna delete. Sorry. Dandy. Sell stop still valid? Yeah. Yep. Tristan, yeah, you're right. If you come down now, you confirm top wick. Exactly. Yep, top wick on the 4 hour for the 4 hour to continue moving down.
Good eye.
We'll see. We'll see. Could be a fake out. Yeah, it could be. Same stop loss. I mean, yeah, obviously I have to adjust it just a few pips there, right? Just cover for what price moved. And yeah, same stuff. Today, Raja showed your stream. Oh, nice. Oh, let's go. Forgot about that. Wish Trade Locker wasn't laggy. Oh, I never used Trade Locker. Why is your stop loss not hitting? I own the broker. It's not my stop loss. This is a pending order. We haven't been activated yet. All right, there it goes. So yeah, I'm gonna delete this. Gonna delete this sell stop here on gold. And looks like we are now waiting for the 1 hour candle to close. And man, look at the 1 hour time frame here. Just chop. Let's get rid of everything here.
It's doing treadmill pattern.
It's doing the rock climbing pattern. Yeah, we got news coming in too here, so. What a shame, right, Connor? Man, that was a beautiful close, bro. I mean, perfect close at 9:30. Clean
Really
traffic
was.
to the left, but what are you gonna do? What are we to do? Hey, in the meantime, if you guys haven't liked the stream, if you guys can like the stream, that'd be dope. If you haven't subbed to the channel yet, subscribe to the channel. And come vibe out with us here every day, man. We're here Monday through Friday, 6:45 a.m. Eastern. We trade the New York session. And we have a good time. Z Gamer. Especially when Z Gamer's in the house. Deleted. Chopped. Chopped. Mayday, mayday, mayday. I have Yoda level patience now. There you go, Connor. Good stuff, man. That's how the playbook saved us from an L. Yeah. Yep. Congrats on 11K. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I forgot we hit 11K here today, chat. W. When did we hit 10K? Was that Friday? That was Friday, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think so. Raja is the mentor. Yeah, Raja. Yeah, I learned a lot from Raja. Big time. Look, here comes price coming on back down. Yeah, we had a nice win on the charts. We had Raja pull up, which is even a bigger win. We had 11K subs here today. Big, man. What do we always talk about? Wins, right? W's coming in, W's coming out, W's all in between. You think I say that just to be like, W, man, awesome? Nah, man. I say that because we're speaking that into existence, right? Don't you see what I'm doing? Soon, young grasshopper. Soon. Soon you will understand. What do we think about US 30? Let's take a look. I know we're waiting for range 2 sells here. So that's why we wait for range 2 sells. Right there. See that? Most people entered on these sells. Back up we go. So that's why we always look for range 2 sells. And there's a good example of it. TTE motion. All right, on to the 1 hour time frame here. Let's see, we got a 4 hour top wick, it looks like. And if we can get that 1 hour candle to close below, gang, this is gonna be beautiful. I think we have to wait for news, but after news comes out and spreads go down a bit, then we should be good to go. Yes, Scott. Yep. Maybe 30-minute celery play here. Yep. Good eye. Good eye. What lot size do I recommend on a 1K account? Probably like 0.50 or 1.00. Depends on how you trade, how disciplined you are, what your system is, what your win rate looks like over the course of a month or two. So it all kind of depends. Sheesh, chat. We had Raja Banks in the building today. Still trying to wrap my head around that.
Yeah, right.
Raja subbed. Oh yeah, Raja been subbed.
Raja.
Look at this. Here we go. Coming back downtown here. Man, I wish we didn't have news in the way. I'm going to keep an eye on the spreads here. Yeah, we still got, we still have 15 minutes before news here. Wait, he joined the stream? Yeah, he did. He did. Real Raja? Yeah, man. Yup. Yo, love my magic keys. There you go, Alberto. You got some magic keys. Isn't it the best? The best, man. Don and Raj made a child. I'm risking 0.75% on 300K. Is that a yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's very conservative. So good stuff. Nick, my husband says hello. Hey, FB and FB's husband. Hope you guys are doing great today. Hope you guys are doing not just great, but fantastic today. I hope you guys have a blessed day. That it's one of the best days of your life, and enjoy it together. Enjoy it together. And whatever you're bickering about right now, just let it go. I can't see Raja. Yeah, just if you can find it, you can find it. Dang, I was on his stream a while ago. He's dropping 50 lots. He's dropping like 100 lots these days, man. Big boy stuff. GJ. If I go to GJ and I don't see something just outright amazing, come on, bro.
Don't go there.
What? Come, bro. Bruh. Bro. You don't come up a little short there, homie. That look a little short to me. Come on, man. No closure below. Nothing.
Nothing.
Gotta wait for the 30-minute. Bruh. Any trade I missed yet? Nope. We took one a lot earlier this morning, but if you weren't here, you didn't miss it. Dude dropped 100 lots and walked away. Facts. Yeah, Alberto, the time you save, nah, for sure. Everything, right? Opening positions, closing them, moving stops to break even, all that stuff. Remember, trading is very complex, so you want to make everything as simple as possible when you can. So having something like Magic Keys just takes all that away and makes your entries and exits all very precise and very quick, and saves you a lot of time. So this is good. This is really good. Bruh. This ain't bad here, man. 1 hour close below, 30-minute celery. Dang, just got news in the way here. I have the physical one, yeah. Yeah, I use the physical one. Got it right here. Bruh. Any advice for an unprofitable trader? Yeah, just figure out what it is you're doing wrong, right? Don't lie to yourself. Be very honest with yourself and see what it is you're doing wrong. Is it over trading? Is it over risking? Is it trading like a degenerate? Like we come into the game and we may have to switch up our mentality a bit. So sometimes you're doing something technical, like with technicals wrong. Sometimes you're just in a wrong state of mind. So figure out which one that is for you and work on it, right? Bring it up to a mentor or bring it up to somebody that can help you out. Work on those areas and you'll improve. You'll improve. Give yourself some grace. Give yourself time to grow. But don't mislead yourself, right? Be honest with yourself and say, hey, this is my problem. Whatever it is, whatever the problem is, you probably know it. You're probably thinking about it right now. So understand what that problem is and then understand how to get better at it. If you have that problem, you can ask me, hey, how do I get over this? But if you haven't figured that out, then what I would say is figure that out first. And then once you have that figured out, then come back and ask, hey, this is what I feel like I'm doing wrong. How can I make adjustments? And then I can probably point you in a better direction with a little bit more context. I want that nuclear missile. What advice do you have for trading a 50K account? Really, no advice. I mean, whether it's a $5 account, 50K account, $500,000 account, $5 million account, I mean, my advice is always going to be the same, right? Stick to your playbook, stick to your strategy, make sure you're being professional and disciplined in it, right? That's it. That's what trading comes down to. And don't get all messed up, right, when you take a loss or two. Every outcome is random. Every trade is based off of probabilities. You can never guarantee a winner. You can never guarantee a loser. The only thing you can do is guarantee that you execute on your edge, and you can understand that that edge yields me 85% win rate. So you can go into every trade knowing that, hey, there's an 8.5% chance we win this out of 10, right? So that's all. That's all you could do. You can't control it. What's your advice for passing a funded challenge? Tristan, I would just say act as if the challenge is already done, right? Because nothing really changes when you pass a challenge, right? Nothing like miraculous or spectacular is just gonna shift, right? As you pass that challenge, you're still gonna to be the same guy. So what I would do is I would act as if that challenge is already passed, and I would see what I could do now, right? Now you have the account. Let's see how you can manage it. Let's see how you can grow it. And just take it trade by trade. Trade by trade. Don't try and force anything. Don't try and rush anything. Let trading come completely natural to you. Right? I think that's the biggest thing that most people don't understand. They have, 10 days left on their challenge account and they're trying to force something now. Just let everything come naturally. Take it trade by trade. Trade by trade. Yeah, that would have activated us there. So last 8 minutes of the candle here, we would have been activated. Let's see what would have happened.
Own and profit.
GJ, can we get an 30-minute closure, hourly closure? Can we get it? This is going to be clean for the 1 hour too. Yeah, GJ, we got nice clean traffic, man. Nice clean move coming down here. You got about 14 pips into that minor support. And then you got about 30 pips to that main support there. Not executing enough. I see the perfect setup, which is my strategy, and then I'm like waiting for the perfect entry, and then I miss the move. This happens so many times. I should just make those entries. Yeah, just remember, that's why having a playbook is so key, because now it's not based off of your emotion. Like the way I see it is I have to do it. If my system calls for it, then I have to do it as if I was a robot, right? And yeah, you still need to wait for your entry, right? So if you got no entry, you got no entry. There's nothing you can do. That's really not missing a trade. But if your entry's there, you got to execute on it, man. You got to. And the only reason you're not executing is you don't want to take a loss. And if you guys go back and watch what I said on my IG reel yesterday, you can't be worried about that type of stuff. You can't be worried about the losses, and they're gonna come, right? What did John say earlier? Every outcome that we take in a trade is random. So again, using the die example, if we roll a die and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the die, and we're just trying not to roll a 2, it doesn't mean that 2 won't pop up, right? But what it does mean is that we have a higher chance of it not happening because of the edge, right? And the edge becomes the other numbers overpower the 2, right? There's more numbers on the die. So there's a 1 in 6 chance that you lose that trade. There's a 5 out of 6 chance you win it, or roll a 2. Or roll anything other than a 2, right? So you just got to roll. And what we talk about rolling is you just got to take your trade. You got to take your trade every single time it shows up and let the numbers just work themselves out. If the win rate is there, then you'll see them, right? Our win rate every month is about 80%. What do you see here? 70 wins, 15 losses. So right around 80% probably. So you just got to let the numbers play out, right? You got to let the probabilities play themselves out. If we roll that die 10, 15 times, Sure, we may not land on a 2 that many times, but are we going to land on a 2 once or twice, maybe 3 times? I would say so. Can it be 4 times, 5 times? Of course, anything is possible. Remember, the outcome is random. But as long as you are willing to roll the die over and over and over again, which is act on your edge, execute when it's time, then you know those probabilities will play themselves out over time. We need more advice from you, fam. Post shorts and valuable videos. I will. I definitely will. Sell stop on gold? Not yet. Not yet, my friend. So what would have happened there? We would have went, let's see. Gold.
Yeah. Still be in it.
Still be in it. Would have seen
I mean,
about 13 pips.
I
Not
would
bad.
think.
Yeah, just wait on it. Just wait on this 1 hour. But we did re-break the 4-hour lows. We did re-break the 1 hour lows. We did re-break the 30-minute lows, and we did get a would you look at that, right? So I remember what I said. I didn't want to delete until we really pushed up, because this is what I see happen a lot. Is we'll break the high and then we'll come back down and re-break the lows. So in this case, we were creeping a little bit too close to the last 15 of the hourly candle. That's why we deleted, but we see it again happening here. So if we're getting a resistance now on the 15-minute, where do you think gold's going? Downtown. How many trades are good for one day? As many as your playbook calls for. Yeah, I don't believe in the whole, I mean, I do believe in it. Like, if you're a beginner and you're struggling with over trading, then yeah, I would stick to 1 to 2 trades a day. When Raja said that like 2 years ago, that changed everything for me. That changed it all. And then I started getting, that's where the foundation of my discipline began, was sticking with 1 to 2 trades a day. And don't forget news, we won't. You know, and now I'm pretty disciplined, so at any point my setup comes to me, I can pretty much execute, you know?
Yeah.
So yeah,
And the reason why he used to say that 1 to 2 trades a day is because think about it, gang. If you're sitting there behind like your MT5 on your phone or your PC or whatever, and you're just like firing off random trades and not journaling them, you're probably not even gonna remember what the outcomes of your 5, 6, 7 trades that you took throughout that day. Think about how many that is at the end of the week. If you take 5, 6, 7 trades a day. So that's why he says that. 1 to 2 trades a day, so you can profoundly remember what happened. And if which everyone should be, but like when you're taking 5, 6, 7 trades a day, you're probably also not journaling your trade. So
yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
Yep.
true.
That's why I'm able to remember trades like right off the top of my dome, trades that we took in like February or March, right? Because they stand out to me because I'm not abusing the charts, right? I'm not abusing the markets. I'm taking the A+ setups and that's it. So you get real familiar with your positions at that point. Spreads quick, and let's take a look at the spreads here. 6 pip spreads.
Oh,
Holy.
Damn.
Oh, it's our intro song. Yup, right, tapped into that support right there. Lovely. Push it. Two trades a day keeps the MT5 away. Gosh, and gollies, my went to 12 pips. Dang.
Sheesh.
How many pips do I wait to before trailing stops to break even? It's never amount of pips. It's never an exact amount of pips. Like in this case, if we got entered on the break of the lows, in this case, I would go break even at 21 pips because that's the nearest support. So I always look left, see what the market's telling me to do, and then that's what I'll do, right? So if we're looking to target, let's say up here, and we get a candle to close above, like this, let's say. So as price starts to push into this zone here, that's where I'll move stops to break even. So whatever that is, right? So it's always going to be different on any given trade. In this case, it would be 36 pips, right? So it's always going to be a bit different. So it just really depends on what the market is saying, and then that's how I go about it.
Yep. Just gotta learn how to adapt to the markets, right?
Yeah. 1 pip spread on icy markets. Oh, nice. I would take like 20 trades a day on a demo. 18 of them be winners. Yeah. Once you get onto that other account, yep. Yeah, that's because there's emotion involved now. So on your demo account, you don't care. That's why I never preach demo. I never ever liked using a demo for those reasons. Is it just never got you growing in terms of your psychology, right? Because if you're losing, hey, you just hold that thing, right? But trading's about timing too. So in real life, you wouldn't necessarily hold that drawdown. All right, let's see what happened here. So nothing here yet. No top wick here. No top wick here. Straight to the TP. Hey chat, if you guys are buying the signals, by the way, this is going to be the last week we're going to run the promo. We had it open for like 2 or 3 weeks, so I think that's enough time. If you purchase any package of signals, you get 2 months free. So take advantage of that if that's something that you're looking to do over the next week. Because come Friday, we're going to take that down. But it's been up there for a while. We'll do it again, but it's just been up there so long now. So 2 or 3 weeks is good enough, right? If you purchase the 1-year package, you get lifetime. You get lifetime signals for the next week, and you also get access to the Zoom sessions, so Zoom calls. Nightbot. Nightbot awesome. Yeah, you guys can get it. Click those links there. You guys can get the signals. Man, it's been rainy here in Tampa. Been a bit rainy.
Bro, it was pouring here last night at like 4 in the morning. Thundering and everything. Crazy.
Really?
Yeah, it was going crazy. Like, it was just like lightning. You just see it lighten up. Well, it was like lightning at first. You could see like crazy lightning, thunder, and it wasn't raining at all. It just came and started dumping.
Dumping.
It started blading.
All right, spreads are coming down. Market's trying to find direction. We got 10 minutes for the candle to close. Do you send signals to an account, or are you talking about oh yeah, the so any other trades that I take, I send them in the signals channel. How many hours do you usually trade from? 6:45 a.m. or 6:30 a.m. Eastern to about 10:30 a.m. And then during the Asian session, I kind of draw out my analysis and I mark my charts. And if I'll usually look at the Asian session every 15 to 30 minutes. So I won't sit there on the chart like I do here for the New York session because, you know, I got stuff going on at home and things going on with my day and stuff like that. So I'll just mark my charts up and wait for closures. And then if I see positions there, I'll take them. And then during the London session, same thing, you know, same stuff. But if I'm putting in hours, then it's mainly this NY session here. Yeah. Is Zoom the only way for 1 year? Yeah, pretty much. It's either that or the Time to Eat Elite members get it too, but we got no openings for that. If you guys want me to open some sort of program for the Zoom, let me know and maybe we'll take a look into doing that. Oh wow, look at this. Holy. Oh, look at this. 5 no bottom wick, man. This thing starts coming down now. Reflips bearish. That may be a good move. Let's see what the spreads are looking like here. Spreads are back down. Stops are looking like... Yeah, let's wait for a candle to close here. Yeah, we got a 15-minute closure coming up here in just a few minutes. So let's wait for that to close. We'll see where we're at that point. Yes, we stay below these levels here, then we're pretty clean to continue down. I was up 400% on that push down. Now blew my account. Oh damn. What RR ratio do you average? 1 to 1. Yeah, anything over a 1 to 1, I'll take it. Just wait for the next TTE intake. Yeah, we might have to do that.
Up 4% on a push down. Blew the account of entries. Wow.
Yeah, that's rough. I want to say, hopefully they're making that up. Hopefully they're trolling.
I hope so.
What am I using to look at spreads? I'm using Magic Keys. Magic Keys. Let's take a look at the Dow here. US 30. Someone says celery play on US 30. Oh, US 30 salary. Oh, where at? We're at Z Gamer. We're at Z Gamer. What pairs do you trade during the London? Same pairs, gold and GJ. At 1 to 1, what percent do you need to be correct? I guess 60%, right? If you have 60%, you'll be correct. But we have like an 85% win rate, so yeah, RR becomes somewhat of irrelevant to us. Yeah, we have such a high win rate that RR really doesn't play a factor. I love Magic Keys. $30 minute celery on US 30. Oh, this play right here. Oh yeah, I see what you mean. Break of the lows there. Yeah, it looks like it broke the low already without creating a top wick. I'd rather wait because this is going against the daily bias here, so. Hey Nick, I haven't been added to the signals chat. Oh, message me on Discord, or yeah, message Green on Discord and he'll get you all set up. Message Green. If you guys aren't in yet, just send Green a message on Discord with your screenshot and he'll get everything taken care of for you. Shout out to Green. Is there an open trade? No, not yet. Nope. Yeah, the celery play here, I'm going to lay off that. If we were bearish on the day, I would say yes. But as of right now, doesn't look the best. All right, let's see what gold's got up its sleeve here. Where do you get Magic Keys? I believe there's a link here in the description. Or you can !point Magic Keys. It might pop up there. Also, if you come in our Discord, you can find it there as well. I think we have that in the announcement section on the Discord. Let me see. Announcements. I think it might be down a little bit. Yeah, right here. So you guys can get magic keys if you like with this link right here. And then if you want to learn how to install it, there's a link for YouTube installation guide. Or Nightbot will hook you up, so you don't even have to go to the Discord. How do you determine the daily bias? Based off the previous daily candle close. So for in this case on gold, price closed bearish, right? So that's why we've been looking for sells here. Price closed bearish on the day. So we want to see this candle potentially break the lows, come on down, fill this wick, and then potentially back down into, you know, this 1939, 1938 level. And then what we do is we go down to the lower time frames and try and find the cleanest ranges to trade in. Now that range right there was clean, right? But we had news come out and, you know, we had sell stops, but we deleted them. But price pushed down in the range, tapped into our zone, and then kind of pulled up. So that would have been a W analysis, right? But we just didn't have an entry at that point. Does Magic Keys ship worldwide? That I'm not too sure. I'm not 100% on that. Did you take any trades recently? No, we only took that one trade this morning. Yeah, nothing since GJ. Real losers or real losing traders aren't very public, but here's my truth. I'm not trolling. I'm down 100K, about to move into my car. That's what happens when you are impatient. Wow, Zach. Appreciate you sharing that, man. And yeah, just be patient. Just be patient now. And let that story, you know, remember the word of God says every adversity comes with it the seed of an equal or even greater benefit. So keep an eye out for the positive in this, right? Learn what you need to learn, make the adjustments you need to make, and you know, get that motto, never going broke again, and climb your way back out, bro. Climb on back up out that hole, man.
Always positive and negative.
When you get a chance, you may have a lot of time, being that you're in the car now. Check out The Magic of Thinking Big. I think you could read that, and I think that should point you in the right direction. Can you show your Magic Key settings? Yeah. I have a question. If you have a 50K funded account and your drawdown is 10%, let's say you're up to 60K. Oh yeah, you got to check with the company you're working with. Some of them do it off of equity, so you got to be careful. Down 100K, yeah, that's tough. But remember, there's been people down much more than that, right? And they've been able to pull it together and pull it out. And I believe in you, bro, and I believe you can do it as well. You got this, bro. You got an opportunity to tell a great story.
Very good story.
What's your Venmo, Zach? Can we check GJ? Yeah, we'll check GJ. I'll survive. Yeah, you see? Sounds like a tough man to me. Sounds like he'll figure it out to me. And it'll just make him stronger. Good stuff, man. Yeah, if you ever need any help, just hit me up, bro. You ever got questions, just give me a shout. GJ, nothing.
Gold's gonna troll till tomorrow.
Yeah, gold may troll till tomorrow. That's definitely a high possibility. Ron's got great advice
Even
here.
like
Tap
gold.
into the live streams every day. Get it back little by little. Yep. Yep. Are you using a copy trader? I am. I am. Do you expect gold to keep trolling? You know, it could for sure, right? It definitely can. We have big news tomorrow. We got big announcements coming in tomorrow. If gold doesn't have much of a direction, which that seems to be the case here, then we're most likely going to get that direction coming in tomorrow. So, yeah, that would make sense. Let's take a look at the Dow here as well. Yeah, back into the range we go. So that's why we always wait for range 2 sells when we're going against the daily bias, because, men, it's never fun pissing in the wind, right? We don't want to get faked out here. So a lot of people got faked out in this position, but not us, right? Not us. Can you check the NASDAQ? Yes. Let's check the NASDAQ here. Oh, same range as yesterday, huh? Let's do this. Let's do a quick top-down analysis here. So weekly did close bearish last week. We have broken the weekly lows. Daily did close bullish yesterday, though. So we broke the weekly lows here. We may be coming up to create a steeper top wick. If we're doing that, let's take a look. Daily is bearish. Oh, I'm sorry. Daily is bullish. So 4 hours bullish as well. You do have a 4-hour seller play taking place right here, right now. And you did tap into that resistance. So let's take a look at what that looks like on the 1-hour time frame. 1 hour's got a strong resistance here. 30-minute as well. And then that's probably it. Buys above here, or wait for some sort of support to be formed down here. Right? So wait for some type of support to be formed. Don't take these sells. Oh, don't take the sells. Just wait on price to create market structure here, right? Boom, you get this, and then just wait for a support. And once you got that support, then you should be good for price to continue on up, right? Boom, and then bam, that's your trade. It's either that or buys above this level here. One year from now, I'll be like you. I will be retiring my wife. Oh, awesome. Excuse me.
God bless you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Bless you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah. You could do it, bro. You could do it, man. You got to see it every day. You got to keep it in front of you every day. Let that be let that be what keeps you disciplined, right? Let that be what keeps you on your P's and Q's, on your toes here in the charts. And, I used to look at it like, hey, if I messed up on a trade and took some trade because of my own greed, man, I would look at my daughter and think, what am I doing? Like, what am I doing? Right? So let that fuel your motivation. Use it as fuel.
A lot of traders, I feel, are just like at war with themselves in their mind. Like, I have a bunch of people who message me like weekly, and they're on stream watching us, and they're just not listening and doing their own thing. And then if they win, they're happy. And then if they lose, they're ready to go find another stream, or they're ready to go find another magic algorithm or another magic strategy. And it's just about consistency and like being dedicated. It's really not that hard.
Yeah, it's so true.
Just sitting on here and paying attention and being patient, not trying to get rich off a trade. I feel like a lot of people are just trying to get rich off a trade, off one single trade. It just doesn't work that way.
Nope. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, too emotional, right?
Like we said,
Go ahead, John.
like we always say, right? Winning method plus the mental skills, whatever the strategy is going to be, and then having the right mental skills for that, being patient, being disciplined, consistent, resistant, that will equal long-term success. So if
Yeah.
you put those two together in whatever you're doing, long-term success.
Yeah, like it's not the strategy, you know, like it's this strategy, we like it, it works for us, and we enjoy trading the strategy, right? Because it fits our personalities. But there's many strategies out there. There's so many profitable traders you can get a strategy from, and each and every one of us, like Nick, could stop trading this strategy today and go trade another trader strategy that's completely different, and he'll be successful because it's not the strategy, it's the mindset, it's the discipline,
Yep.
and the dedication. It's not the strategy. So everyone out here trying to look for a magic strategy, you're not going to find it, because there's so many out there that are successful in that work. It's what's in your mind that's really what sets you apart and makes you successessul.
Yeah, you
So
gotta
true.
pull up to the
Facts.
charts, and you gotta want to look for the best trades, the best setups. You're not looking at pull up to the charts and how can I make the most money? It's not about the money. The money will
Yep.
come.
Money will come. Money's a byproduct,
Exactly,
right, boys?
Yep. And that's what we mean too when we're like trading is 80% psychological and 20% technical, right? Everything's mental.
Everything. It's a mental game here. Uncle Scalp, beautiful voice. I love how John doesn't speak at all, and then all of a sudden he comes in with a sentence of wisdom and knocks me out. What a legend. W. Legend.
Yeah.
All right, Gold. Are you going to make us fall asleep here, or are we going to do something? Yeah, US 30 back in the range we go. Let's take a look what that looks like on the 15-minute here. Yeah. Johnny Gems. Johnny Gems.
Johnny
Sniper
the
entry
Gem.
coming for Shad.
Big gems.
Hey, Shad, bro. Your entry's my exit, man. Your entry's my exit.
I'm a better trader.
The guys who tell you that, they just don't let you know about how many times they attempted that entry. And blew it.
Yeah.
They only show you the empty. They only show you the trading view. Tap the monitor works. Yeah, that's my strategy. The IG traders got 2,000 pips on that last candle.
You got the perfect entry and the perfect exit.
Yeah, you know, they knew it was coming down. I mean, who wouldn't? I mean, it's so obvious when you're using this handy dandy 100% strategy that I teach. It's $5,000, but we can get you in. I don't have any more spots left, but you know what? I'll consider you. Right? They got that entry. And now it's only up from here. Sniper entry US 30 strategy. Limited spots. Limited time only. Get it now while it's hot. You enter, I exit. Oh, new desk setups on Discord are nice. Yeah, let's have a look.
What up, Sam, man?
Let's have a look. Sniper entry strategy? Guaranteed to get you a Lambo next month. I'm not lying, I caught this. Okay, let's take a look at some desk setups here in the Discord chat. Oh, nice. Nick, I came across you 3 weeks ago. Your strategy and wisdom aligns with mine. Great to know. I chart my pairs and you come on with the exact same levels. Oh, nice. Showing progress, baby. Let's go. Yes, sir. How can I buy this strategy? Well, I'm glad you asked. I love when we troll the strategies. The new album, the new algo subscription, man, comes with. Oh man! All right, yeah, nice, cool. Yeah, I think the last one I looked at was this one, which was very clean. Oh, those are the guys that are saying your mic is too loud or the music's too loud behind you. Nice. That's all you need right there. No, not this. This. Not this. This is nice, but all you need is this. Right there. Right there. Discipline.
Yeah, that's the dude that says that the music's too loud. He's got two
Yeah.
speakers right side by side.
Bro,
That's
your music's too loud.
Well, you got a subwoofer down below too. So that is
Oh, I
crazy.
like that. That's clean.
That is super clean. That lighting
Very
goes
simple
crazy.
and clean. Yeah. Very nice, dude. Very nice. Oh, cool. Oh, you play the guitar?
Got some rustic vibes going on.
Yeah, I like that. Nice. Looks good. Looks clean. Who is that? Try me. Try me. Try me. Oh, nice. This is cool too. Dope. That's all you need, man. 2-3 monitors, and you really need one, but obviously 2 helps, especially if you're watching a live stream. But yeah, now these are all clean. Very nice. On screen magic keys. Let's go. Look at tracking their trades. Perfect. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
This is what we like to see, man. Nice.
Very well. Well done.
Job well done. Oh, clean. Ooh.
Old trolling.
Nice, guys. Nice setups here today.
You know, people's setups.
Chilling.
Absolutely.
Straight chilling. I love that one. I love that one right there. Chilling. That's all you need. For real.
Yo, facts. It
Literally.
really is all you need to be on.
He's not even on the TradingView app. He's on Safari on TradingView.com.
Yeah.
Dope.
That's awesome.
Come on, gold. Our time is counting down here today, gang. Let's see what gold does here on the 15-minute time frame. And see if we stay below this level here. Stay below gold. All right. Let's see what happens. MC bro, we'll see you later, brother. Have a great day, my man. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a big day. Big day here tomorrow. Big day. Buzzing. Freezing. Yeah, man. I don't think anything's going to happen here. Right? If we're going to take positions off the 30 minutes, got to be below here at this point. So, yeah, I think I'm going to call it a day. Yeah, not much really for us here. Right? Candle close, 30-minute candle close bullish. 1 hour candle close, or it's still open, but it's very, very bullish at this point. We kind of tapped target here. Tap down, tap target. If the 30-minute creates some sort of resistance, I may be interested, but I'm not gonna hang out here for another 30. So we're gonna call it a day here, chat. So we got one trade off earlier this morning, and that's it. L day for Dwayne. Sorry to hear that, bro. Sorry to hear that. Stuck to the plan. Yep. If you stuck to the plan today, you had a great day. You had a W day, right? No matter what the outcome was, if you had a day where you stuck to your plan, that's really all that matters. So, gang, hope you guys have a great day. Zoom chat. Hope you guys have an awesome day. I'll see you for the big show tomorrow.
You guys
Yes,
tomorrow.
sir.
Peace, boys.
Love you guys.
See you, boys.
See you, boys. Have a
Yes,
good day.
sir. Later,
boys.
Jose. Later,
See you,
Sam.
chat.
Later, Uncle Scalp. Later, Sammy Boy. Later, everyone in Zoom. Hey, chat. W's on the way out here today. Great job at following your plan here. It's always a W day when you're following our plan, right? So great job. Shout out to all you guys here today. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow, we're going to have 2 streams going on. So we'll have one in the morning and one in the afternoon. And both should be amazing, amazing streams. So I'll holla at you guys. Green, later, bro. Nightbot, Scott, RedFX, Austin, all the mods here. Appreciate you guys. Until next time, I'll see y'all.